The wick. The wick's touched.
I won't give you shit.
What a wild structure this is crazy structure. But what's break of structure, Ryan G? What the fuck is this? What am I looking at?
Break of.
I don't even know it now. I'm pretty good at
Bro,
charts.
the chart's so fucking messy.
Yeah, this chart is very messy. What the fuck is going on here?
It's because of that ginormous red candle on the 5 minute or green candle on the 1 minute.
This is
Because that
very
green on the 5 minute, it's a giant red candle and it wicks all the way down to 652. And since that, we haven't made a higher high or a lower low.
Was that an 8:30 news candle? What came out today?
Yeah, it was CPI.
That was CPI. CPI came out a point higher, 0.4, forecasted 0.3.
Dimitri, I'd say break of structure on the 15-minute chart is roughly somewhere around like 652.34, maybe.
Yeah, I see that. 34. Where? Oh, okay, I see it. Yeah, I see it. 7
dude,
p.m.
Unemployment claims freaking up another 30,000 from 235 to 263.
You looking for a job?
No, but the market didn't like the unemployment data. And look at what.
Yo, one day the market is gonna go like 5% down. Honestly, this is ridiculous. There's so much bad news, and the market just keeps going up and up and up. They're sucking
Charlie
in.
Kirk died. How the fuck is the market going up?
Oh
Bro,
God.
who the fuck
Let's
cares
not
about
talk
that
about
guy in
that
the
today.
market? Yeah, let's not talk about him anymore.
Yeah.
Yesterday's POC for SPY is 653.23.
That video was fucking brutal, bro.
Oh,
But I was scrolling through fucking Instagram this morning, and it's like every single person I follow on Instagram posts a story about him, like they knew him, and I was like, all right, we get it.
I mean, I didn't know him. I mean, I just listened to him a lot in the past few years, so you kind of feel like you kind of know the guy, you know? Like you built some respect for a person, you know? He was like...
I think it's terrible just because his family and his 2 little kids,
hell yeah,
dude.
Bro. 31 years old, bro.
Yeah. Yeah, it's no good.
All right, let's do this shit for Charlie today, yo. Let's everybody be fucking green. Shit. I'd love to donate to his family if they were doing a GoFundMe.
Or the market robbed me at gunpoint on my birthday. I don't think it gives a fuck about our feelings.
The market does not care, dude. The market does not care. They'll spit you up and freaking chew you out, or chew you up and spit you out. I said that backwards.
Oh, you're in mourning? Give me my morning money, bitch. Yeah, it's market's kind of a gangster, dude.
Top of the morning, fuckers.
What's up, Joey?
You already said that, and everybody ignored you, Joey.
Yeah. Kiss my ass.
We love you, Joey.
This is fucking brutal.
Right?
Jesus.
How you putting doing?
You already
Everybody
said
swings splits and the market goes up. Mood changes around.
This guy fucking says it for the second time.
Holy shit. Oh, that's funny. You already said that and everybody ignored you. Jesus.
That was fucking rude.
That was brutal.
Oh,
I'm gonna be a little bit moody today, honestly, guys. I'm so pissed off.
Well, you could have listened to the option doctor yesterday.
Bro, fuck off.
If I recall, you sent me that meme as well.
I think y'all should do highest P&L for the week for an iPhone. Competition.
Oh, no, I'm doing very well, but I'm gonna be smoked right now in 2 minutes, 1 minute.
I think you probably still have me on the week for P&L.
I did very well in September. Oh, by the way, guys, this is September 11th. Oh wow, September 11th.
Oh man, jeez.
Rest in peace to everybody. Oh my god, I can't believe it's September 11th.
I didn't even notice. It's kind of fucked up, I guess, that I didn't notice.
Albert, are you happy you
Alright.
didn't swing?
I mean, I did, but I wasn't gonna stay for long. I just wanted to kind of like I was gonna get like my 10, 20 cents, and I was gonna be out. I wasn't gonna stay for the long ride. You know what I mean? I didn't want to risk it.
Don't bring your feelings to work. Yeah, Mark, that's it.
I'm in
All
puts,
right.
guys.
MBZ's on one today.
All right, man. Let me slow down.
What's the damage report?
QQQ just took out yesterday's highs and overnight
A
highs.
lot. I'm smoked completely.
How bad? Percentage
20,000.
No, percentage.
Everything. Everything. My contracts are at 43 cents.
Oh, yeah. VIX is down almost 4%. QQQ still has a little more room for yesterday's highs.
I'm not even selling these. Actually, I'm going to buy more, honestly. I can't sell these.
Yesterday's highs is 584.11. Pre-market high 584.80 on the Qs. SPY, I want to see them punch into 655 and stay up there. Got bullish volume. I'm not going to participate.
Now, Ryan, when you mean swinging, do you mean like automatically I'm holding as well? When you ask me that question?
Swinging means that you're holding your trade into the next trading day.
Oh, yeah. Oh, no, I didn't do that. Yeah, okay, good. Now that I know. I literally sold it at the bottom of the wick and then it went right back up.
They're just, market's just been freaking relentless, man. We can't get more than a day or two of pulling back, and then they bounce it like crazy.
Yeah, there's already size sitting above that it's about to blast off to.
Does anybody know what the number is for Q's all-time highs? Thought me having to look it up.
Q's all-time
hit it
highs is
Let's go, Den.
583.77. We're less than 20 cents away. Pre-market all-time highs, we hit 584.80. But on the daily,
Wow, then you still on calls? Wow, look at you. You took my money.
Dimitri, you're hilarious, bro.
I'm not shorting this double top. I don't trust it. For me to really be interested in puts today, we got to be below 653. So let's see what
we just pushed a little bit past the overnight highs. Poked above it.
QQQ.
Where's Vicky at?
Vicky?
Vicky is crushed as well.
VIX? Vicky?
1478.
Yeah, VIX is down like, shit, almost 3.5% now. Yeah. I'm gonna
Also
wait.
a little higher than puts.
I'm gonna wait. I think they're gonna punch through. This is like the best area for retail to try to short this, so it makes sense for them to take a little leg up if they want to try to pull it back today. Call side's heavier. That's too early.
Not even.
Look like they're gonna try to pop it. Give the bears hope at shorting the best area right here and punch through. That's what I'm thinking. Just give it some time. We don't have a 10 o'clock news candle, correct? I think that was
Correct.
it. I think
No.
everything was 8:30 today.
Everything else is yellow. 30-year bond at 1 can sometimes move the market, sometimes not.
What the fuck?
Ryan G, how long have you been trading for?
I mean, kind of sort of full time, like 3 years.
Oh wow. Okay.
Max Payne's at 650. Jesus. They don't really have to go far.
I'm like this though. We have to let the market go down. I don't like the fact that Dimitri's in a bad mood. I really don't. Like the
No,
stream
the
doesn't
only
go.
reason is that we're at all-time highs. I'm down 21,300, and I don't know what the fuck to do. I'm just like sitting down and just looking at my screen like an idiot. I don't know what to do here. I
There's
can't even
nothing to
tell
do
you
right
guys
now.
anything.
It's too
There's nothing to
dangerous.
do, guys.
It's too dangerous to double his position here because if they break it, they're gonna go. That's
Oh, I did. I added 100 contracts, right?
I mean, you know the market better than me, but the
Dangerous,
only
yeah.
time I've ever seen it like go up to the all-time highs and not come down during the day, I feel like the next day it always dumps. But I mean, that's just my short experience.
I have to add. I added. I swung 200. I'm holding 300 now contracts.
We can do a live SPX trade today to get you green.
No, I'll be green. Don't worry.
I'd love if you could do that for me so I could get the fuck out of my SPX XS position so that way I don't feel so bad if I could just break
How much are
even
you down
that.
on SPXS?
Like $5,000 almost.
No, like what's your average price and like contract
Okay, I'm gonna
position wise?
443 is my trade price.
What is
The
it?
current price is 405.
What's your
443.
443.
Dimitri, all the higher time frames were wicked outside of the Bollinger Bands up top.
443? When the hell did you get in?
Let me see.
Fucking a month ago almost.
You got in at the high on the freaking. Did you look at SPX's chart when you entered?
No, but Dimitri did. I hate to say it, but it was Dimitri's call that he
It
told me.
shares, Albert. Relax. It shares.
It
Eventually, the
shares.
market.
It's fine. I'm not mad at you. I'm not mad at you.
I just.
But you know what's crazy? You guys literally called me the other day. You guys were doing that fucking three-way call, Dimitri. I should have sold that day. I was like breaking even, I swear. And then after that, I went to fucking blue skies.
Hold on. You were break even
You
when
were not
we
breaking
were
even.
35.
The last time that
No,
thing
I'm
was.
down.
The
Bro, I
last
was
thing
down
that.
like $300 practically. That's like practically breaking even. It was like
Okay, so
at
you're down 9% in my opinion, right? SPY has to dump 20 points. It's buddy, that could happen in one day, by the way.
yeah.
Relax.
So that's why I'm just teasing
Just
you,
double
bro.
it.
I ain't mad.
Just hold or double. That's why I texted you yesterday. Just add.
That's why
Just-
I can't right now. I can't
just
take
double it.
out money from my other spots right now.
Double it. Don't worry, buddy. 635 you need. You're fine.
You'll get like a 420 average if you double it.
Just sell some glasses, scam some people, and double it.
Yeah, you told us your whole entire business model yesterday.
First of all, we don't scam, and I told you it's not sustainable if we don't make a profit like that in retail. Well, I have to give you guys a whole business lesson.
You have the whole Zohan going out of business model.
You know what, guys? Fuck this shit. Just go on Google, check me out, look at my reputation, and we'll see who's scamming people
Yeah,
out here.
make a masterclass for the masterclass section.
I got you, no doubt.
How to run an optical.
That I can do extensively, I ain't gonna lie. I might even give Dimitri a run for his money.
653.60s is going to be probably where bears would step in and like really step on the gas to try to take it south. So 653.60s cracks with power. QQQ is close to that demand. QQQ 582.36. If they crack this right here, QQQ, they're going to step on the gas and go south. So let's look at the puts. 655 puts. Let them go first. I'm going to chase this. QQQ's going.
You already in?
Yeah. 653.60 is going to be sell target number 1. Sell target number 2 is going to just be runners to hold to the abyss if they do it. If
My
this candle
contracts aren't even moving.
No, contracts are
And use it
awful.
VWAP.
But QQQ broke their major demand, so we should get a nice little flush, hopefully. I just got slaughtered on my contracts, whatever the hell I just got in.
Contracts aren't even moving. Yeah.
I just got in at $1.78. They're at $1.69. What the hell?
This is
What the hell?
830 VWAP right here.
As long as we stay below POC, I'll stay in this.
These look like they want to go south.
Yeah.
Patel, thank you so much for your message. I got your stuff, Patel.
Oh, Jesus. I'm out. I'm taking a loss. $1,500 loss. What the fuck?
Because IWM's shooting off.
Yeah, I'm not going short until we actually break VWAP and like hold below it.
I'll reposition if we put in a lower high now. Or if we reject
Didn't we
VWAP.
break VWAP? Ryan G?
We did, but
What's
we
up?
didn't close below.
Well, we did.
We
I see
didn't
it
close
right below it.
We didn't close below it though.
Okay.
They should go south.
Yeah.
QQQ's leaking.
ES didn't even touch overnight VWAP there.
They put in a lower high. I'm gonna jump back in. I'm gonna hit this with size because my contracts got fucking slaughtered. I'm back in. Let's see. QQQ wants to go south. I think that candle was a fake out. I just got my loss back in this one trade. I'm in 250 contracts. $1.60 average. There we go. I'm gonna take 150 off.
What strike are you in? They're so cheap.
655. I'm in $1.74.
That was the 830 news anchored VWAP bounce again for ES.
I'm back to green. I have $1.60 average now. I sold 150. I'm just sitting in 100. QQQ is going south. SPY should join the party. Hopefully. That 653.70s area breaks. It's going to be a fun waterfall drop. So that's what I'm
Yeah.
trying to.
I'm with you. I just got in.
I'm trying to be in this. If they freaking take
Thank you,
this
Scott.
floor
Go
up.
south.
I'm going to take a little more size off at 653.70s because that's where they can bounce.
I want 653.12.
I got 20 cents here.
Okay, guys, I'm out.
I'm taking
110
50 off, and I'm gonna try to hold 50 to see if we can actually get this whole move. QQQ is a bloodbath right now, so they should go. That candle that I jumped in on was a fucking stop out candle. I think they just wanted to spook everybody that was trying to go south.
Ticks and IWM are going red.
This is it right here. If they break this here, 653.70s, they're gonna go. I'm super green now.
I'm still holding. Thank you, Ryan.
You're welcome.
I feel like I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, so I have
This
to
is sell
follow you.
target here, though. This is where you sell some. I'm down to
don't sell.
runners.
We hold.
I'm down to runners. I got $3,100. This would have been a massive trade if I didn't take a $1,500 loss.
How many contracts you got?
I only have 50 now.
ESC just jumped right here in ES.
I started with 100 MBZ. I got smacked down 15 cents. I sold for a 15-cent loss. I got in for, hold on. I got in 250 contracts at $1.60. I sold 150 at $1.76, and then I just sold the other 50 at $1.80.
You started at 200?
250. I'm still in 50 runners.
Gotcha. Because I snatched 50 a little earlier than you, and then I sold 25, and then 25, and I was only up $800. I was like, Jesus, this dude's up 8,000.
No, I'm not up 8,000. I'm only up 2,500 right here.
It might look like yesterday, man. Close to a lower high and then flush again.
QQQ's looking weak. They should break this
I
floor.
added, guys. I added.
I'm still in 50 runners if they break this floor. If they take out VWAP, I'll just jump out of them with profit.
This is looking bearish. Look at the volume.
QQQ's leading the party right now.
I like the volume we have.
Just fucking waterfall already? What the fuck?
If I see Q's bounce though and power comes in, you got to jump out of it. VWAP breaks, you got to get out.
Q's trying to hold a fair value gap right here.
Uses at the 200 EMA on the 5-minute.
They're not going to do it yet.
I just want
This is so
653.
obvious that they know that everybody's in puts pretty much here.
No, it's never obvious. Come on.
Come on. No, this is
shit.
this is like
700
this is like a
700,000 puts to 200,000 calls.
this is like a bounce zone, Albert, where people will be loading up calls if you're bullish.
Give me 653.21.
I got to take my profits, I think. I don't trust this floor. QQQ's bouncing. I'm giving Q's one more candle. If they continue off of what they're doing now, then I'm out. If they do fresh low, I'm probably going to sell just because we'll probably get one of those rubber band candles.
Ooh.
There goes the Q's. Come on. One push, baby. One push.
I don't like that there's 500,000 more puts
There's a
now
lower
than
low.
10 minutes ago. So even.
Oh,
Here we go.
yeah.
All right, I'm taking it, guys. I'm all out. $1.87.
I'm out with you. Fuck.
Look at that
That's slick.
immediate bounce.
Fuck, I got slipped. Wow, that's so fucked up.
There's a rubber band candle.
Dude.
I'm in calls if they punch through view up. I'm in calls. 654 calls. This is a trap. Oh, yeah. Good morning, America.
Dude, nice trade.
Trimming here. 99
Thank
cents
you,
to
Ryan.
$1.23.
God bless you.
I'm going to take it. I'm out. 4,700 bucks. Good morning.
Yeah, top of this candle is sloping resistance. If it
Top of the
holds.
morning, baby. Market makers hate
Nope,
me.
too high.
How did you know to again, I'm sorry, I know I keep asking, but I gotta keep asking. How did you know to take this fucking trade here? I just wanna know.
So, you know what I did? I pulled out I have a crystal ball sitting on my desk, and I rub it with a microfiber
Fucking
cloth.
around, bro. I really wanna know your justification for this. Like, how did you know to fucking switch sides?
Albert,
Like-
I've been watching charts for 10 years, man. It's just an instinct at this point. When they make a floor look too obvious, they put in a fresh low, and I see a wick below the body. That's usually a trap. It's instinct from watching the charts.
It's your fucking
QQQ
shit
already
at this
sold
point.
off past their demand and started bouncing also. So if you watched my momentum class, I spoke about QQQ being the engine.
What do you mean? You posted that?
Yeah,
When?
yesterday. QQQ's
I
like
thought
the
that was
engine,
market
dude.
update.
No, go to the masterclass section.
Fucking looking forward. Yeah, I'm gonna watch that shit today. I was looking forward to it. I was keep checking. I thought it was just the market update I saw.
When I see
Bro,
volume,
you said Wahoo when he fucking said it's posted.
yeah, the fuck.
I thought you said you were gonna report it today. My bad. Shit, gotta stop smoking.
Albert, basically what I'm saying is above VWAP and bullish momentum on both Qs and SPY, I'm going long. Bearish momentum below VWAP, Qs and SPY are both printing in the same direction. I'm going south. So as soon as they crack VWAP, QQQ has already taken off on that candle. As soon as they punch through, that was it. That was your confirmation to go with them. Coming out of a fresh
Look,
low.
man, I
with a
don't
wick-
know, man. I make fucking glasses for a living, bro. I don't know this shit. I'm learning.
If you look at the ES chart too on the 1 minute, that wick broke the 200 on the 1 minute, yesterday's value area high, and the overnight VWAP, and then bounced back up and closed above it. That
a
usually
rubber-
means bulls are going to step in heavy.
Rubber band candle.
I'm a rubber band man. Do you know who I am? I'm a rubber band man. Ryan, I think that's a little bit before your time. I mean, like Option Doctor, right?
Rubber band man?
Yeah.
How old are
remember
you,
that
Albert?
song by T.I.? 36.
Yeah, I remember that song.
How old are you again, Ryan?
33.
All right. Hi, youngin.
Listen, buddy, you look younger than me. Trade stocks for 10
That is
years.
true. That is true.
You won't have
Oh.
hair.
I look honestly, thank God, thank God, I look younger than most fucking people in their fucking 20s. I think.
Trade stocks for 10 years. Join the military. Fucking, you will not look like you're in your 30s.
Yeah, then you did the military. God bless you, Ryan.
It does
I
both
forgot
like
to do genetics.
Everybody, take a moment and thank Ryan for his fucking service.
No,
Selfish fuckers.
you don't have to thank me.
Fuck you, Ryan.
I do not need any thanks.
Ah, shit.
Did you just say fuck you,
he's just trying
Ryan?
to help you out.
Dimitri?
He said fuck Ryan.
Damn,
Yes,
bro.
he did.
I'm trying to get you
Tell him why you
green.
mad, right? No. Dimitri, tell him why you mad.
I'm mad because I'm down 23,000.
Thank you.
Ouch, man.
It's okay. You made fucking
Don't
250,000
worry,
in the
bro.
last 2 weeks.
You're gonna make it back, Dimitri. I have faith.
You know what you should do when you're mad? Actually, I'm not
I
going to
can't.
say it.
I can't anymore, I promise you.
I was gonna say you should go
Take a
get
few more of those hits, bro, on that pen.
you should go grab your key, get into your vehicle.
I will actually. I will. Everybody's trying to short here, guys. This is the high.
I'm not touching this. They're gonna go.
Yeah, everybody's gonna short here. They're gonna go. They're gonna blow the roof off.
QQQ is telling me the same story as yesterday. QQQ is making a lower high from opening print. Yesterday the Qs did the same thing.
Still over 500,000 more puts.
How big is the divergence? It's still kind of early though.
Yeah, but it was even like 15 minutes ago.
Oh, I was looking at SPX. Oh shit. Never mind. Put side almost 1 million to 400,000 calls. 360. I was looking at SPX data.
You know what's crazy?
They're gonna
The
go.
contracts are
They're gonna go
moving.
north.
You know, Ryan, we got that trade. Like, I got in that trade at 115, right? That was
Yeah.
my price, and now that price is only 150. And look how much it moved up in a way.
115 to
understand.
150. That's actually a pretty decent move. We didn't even move $1.
No. I'm saying it's 150 right now is what I'm saying. We got out a long time ago.
Yeah. Well, then they're crushing contracts. IV's 22%. That means that they're crushing. They're gonna
Even
make.
if we held all this time, this wouldn't have been really a killer trade if you think about it.
That's
What
why
did
you
I-
want to sell the move.
What did I get on that? I got 98 cents to $1.25.
Exactly.
This is about the
And you
rip,
got
though.
in at the very beginning almost.
50-cent move. That's pretty decent, actually, dude, for less than $1 range.
Hmm.
They're $1.06. They're $1.70 now. I'm happy, dude. I'm satiated with like 10 to 15 cents. I'm fucking trimming.
Like, you got 50 cents on a trade. That's ridiculous.
If anybody's still holding these calls, just fucking stay in them. There's no reason to get out of them unless
yeah.
we crack.
I got them on that bull flag and sold too fucking early, man. Now it probably would be 30 cents.
654.60s gets taken out, then I'd say get out of them. But until then, we're blue skies now. So enjoy.
Yeah, this is still going to go.
QQQ still has a little room to double top. If QQQ punches through double top, then whew, we're gonna go.
Big money is out there. I don't get it. Where's this money coming from? I really don't understand.
You guys see sloping resistance at 655.31 macro? Like there's all these tops have a little sloping resistance. Guess we're about to find out. Real soon.
Wow.
I wouldn't really call that sloping resistance.
Where are you looking, MBC? Sorry, I was.
Like if you zoom out for the last week or two, all these tops seem to go a little bit higher, and it looks like there's a little sloping resistance, but that's
No,
all it's seeing.
no,
I
this
can
is no
verify.
sloping resistance. That's a that you're
I would,
you would say it's a channel.
yeah.
It's not sloping resistance. Like
That's what I mean, like a channel top.
based off the 30.
Because I feel like the channel has, it depends. I've got two different slants, and it just depends on how far back I go drawing the tops.
Right.
If that makes sense.
If I go back a week, we're in this channel all the way to like 660s.
Yeah, sloping resistance would be it sloping downwards. An upwards channel like that, if it breaks out, like that's not a spot you want to be short.
QQQ is
No, you don't like.
QQQ is failing to make a fresh high. This is exactly, guys, look at yesterday's chart. SPY and QQQ in the morning, and look what they're doing today. So yesterday, SPY made a new high intraday. QQQ made a lower high off a pre-market, and then they leaked out. I'm not saying that they're going to leak out, but right now, until the Qs double top and punch a fresh high, I'd say something's cooking.
What time frame is this? 10 Oh, buddy, I don't look at the 10 seconds time frame. You're wild, Patel.
What? There's such a thing? 10 seconds? There's such a thing?
You need a Zoloft for that one.
You gotta slow down.
Speaking of
How many seconds is one
speaking
tick?
of Zoloft,
Time to pop that.
what'd you say, MBZ?
I said, how many seconds is one tick?
How many seconds is one tick?
Like my lowest I could go to is one tick, 10 ticks, 100 ticks.
Those aren't based on time.
Oh, got you.
The tick charts are based on buying and selling.
Blue skies territory. Is anybody holding calls still? Albert, we fucked up.
I wish I went
Oh,
long
yeah.
for the VWAP.
It's $1. That's a whole ass dollar now. Those contracts are
Yeah,
at $2.
but do you see what I'm trying to tell you, bro? Look how long it had to look. It's $1 only now after this whole strong buying algo. If you think about it, it's kind of crazy. Yeah, they are barely moving.
$1's a lot on your contracts.
I get it, but this is
That's a $10,000 trade, and if I was holding my size, 250 contracts, it's a $25,000 trade. That's heavy. I'd never hold that long. Oh yeah,
that was done for the day.
let's go, Patel. Damn, dude, you're up more than me, dude. Nice job, Jay. This is the top of that channel right here. We're approaching the top of that channel, MBZ.
Yeah.
But look at the
Do you
cues.
guys do you guys ever hold through these red candles like on the 1 minute? Like if you've got calls right now, would that red candle have spooked you out, or
No.
would you have known to stay in?
If I was still in the calls that I originally got in coming out of VWAP, once we took out the double top, the high, that's where my stop would be, at double top. And then next time we make a cluster, if we make another cluster up here and then stair step away from that cluster, then you drag your stop up to the next demand zone. That one red candle isn't really enough for it to prove to me that it's going to be a demand zone or supply.
For the first time, Ryan, I understand what you're talking about, because there's 1.1 million puts to 500,000 calls.
Oh, it's going to be a fucking slaughter fest today, dude.
That is a slaughter. That is, yeah, they're really not trying to pay the bears.
That's how this market's going up. That's where liquidity's coming from. People
Liquidity
shorting.
from the puts. Yeah.
But one thing I'm failing to understand, don't the call side, they have to put up way more money to overwhelm the put side?
No, but because the
No.
markets go up organically, naturally markets go up 85% of the time.
Uh-huh. I'm just
Markets
thinking,
have to
like,
go
I'm
up.
just doing a ratio. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm just doing it. Like, let's say I have 5 people on my side putting down money versus 100 people that are that are getting together to put the money together. Do you understand what I mean? Maybe I'm looking at it too literal.
Look at the perspective of the people that are working their asses off 9 to 5 for the rest of their life, and they're putting away money for 401ks. The market has to go up. It has to go up.
Mhm.
One of the
Gotcha.
things too, Albert, once it hits certain levels, people close their short position. You have to buy to close your short position. So it's buying on buying.
Hmm. I see.
That's what
Yeah,
causes like a squeeze.
yeah, exactly. The
I can
market goes up, Albert. The market doesn't go down. It just goes up. I always make jokes when I say the market has to go down.
Yeah, no, of course, obviously.
I think, I don't know. You make a lot more money when the market goes down, Albert, when you take the elevator because of the way the
Yes,
contracts
that I
move.
know.
Because people panic sell, and once it fucking goes down, it goes down.
Yeah. Oh, they're gonna run
That's
this
when
sucker, huh?
capitulation occurs. Back in April, it was just capitulation. But I'm surprised that the bears haven't capitulated yet. Like, what the fuck is going on? You telling me new money is entering this market for shorts?
I mean, if I've never traded ever and I saw where the market is, I wouldn't be buying fucking long dated holding positions at all time high tops.
How hasn't the market capitulated yet?
I don't know.
You know, the market's going up and my premiums aren't even going down. You already know it's bad.
Yeah, they're doing damage to premiums already.
No, I mean my
Why
648
Oh,
tomorrow's
yours
expiration.
are just fucking clobbered.
wouldn't it just make sense for them to cruise around here for an hour or so just to destroy the fucking puts?
I have
Yep.
I'm gonna get 656 puts on my screen. I still like I'm not in anything yet, but I like how QQQ is making a lower high. If QQQ starts to turn and they head to make a fresh low from where they are, SPY's gonna dump. I'm not in yet. You have to let them go. As of now, this is a bullish buying algo. I'm not gonna buy a call up here. Risk to reward's too dangerous to get trapped. I like the sloping resistance on QQQ. Lower high cycle.
And pre-market high is 583.19 on the Qs. It looks like they're kind of banging their head on it now.
If they take out
Yeah,
this,
once they go, I'll enter with you.
if QQQ takes out this mountain here north, then I got nothing. But I want to see QQQ flush through POC and try to drag SPY down for maybe a retest of where we broke out from. That would be the put I would chase, 656 puts.
IWM is fucking breaking out like crazy. I feel like that's why Qs are not dragging SPY quite as harsh as you want.
Wow, 5-day moving average is at 651 already. That's wild.
Dimitri, when are you officially moving?
We're starting right now. We're loading up everything.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Congrats, man.
Nice,
Thank you.
dude. You never even sent me a picture of the place.
Buddy, I haven't seen the place myself fully. We have a moving company.
You didn't see the place that you're moving into?
No, like it's for the kids, man. It's I don't give a fuck, dude. I could live in a basement. I'm simple.
I'm the same way, Dimitri.
Buddy, I don't give a fuck, honestly. When you live with a fucking person that likes to switch furnitures every month, it's disgusting.
That's how my wife is. When she gets anxious, she's like, "Let's rearrange the furniture."
Yeah, it's like, what the fuck are you doing?
Same.
I'm moving 6 minutes away from my house. Jay,
Oh my god, thank God.
different. It's a different area. Just the house is huge. Because I have 2 people living in my house, so it's tough right now, size wise.
I'm not touching this yet, guys. QQQ is going to attempt to do a double top. SPY's in a bullish buying algo. Those freaking puts I was looking at just went down like 40 cents. Holy shit.
Way too early for these 2-cent candles. They need to do some drama.
This is the drama. Slow and steady squeeze north.
Yeah.
If Qs push above the current highs, that's probably a bad call to chase, though, right? Because
Yeah,
we're so high up.
I wouldn't chase. I wouldn't chase a long position today. You gotta wait for pullbacks to get in. Just because your risk to reward, dude. If they hit the reverse gear, your first target's gonna be like 650, 460.
Yeah.
Like you can get steamrolled if you try to jump in along up here. So
Yeah, I tried to get long and I got stopped in profit.
Oh, there's literally double puts right now.
yeah, it's bad. This is squeeze. This is squeeze setup. If QQQ takes out their high here, it's gonna be bad. I just watched.
Looks like that 1 hour time frame chart was a higher low, guys. I was right. Yesterday's lows is a higher low macro.
I watched 2 contracts evaporate. 655s evaporated and 656.
There they go.
There goes the Qs. Double top QQQ.
But I'm seeing that they got room to go to 580, 480.
Oh man. As much as
All
I
right, pull
want to
back to
try,
VWAP.
as much as I want to try a
Oh
short
my
here,
gosh.
I'm gonna try a short here. QQQ's at double top. If QQQ takes out their high, I'm just gonna get out. This is dangerous, but I'm in 657s at $1.57. 657 puts. If QQQ punches out of this double top, I'm selling. I'm not staying in this.
Just wait for the channel. The channel is about to hit.
Buddy, there's no channels up here.
There is a channel.
This is just
Wait for the channel.
This is just blue skies. I'm basing this trade
No.
solely off of a double top on the Qs.
Channel is about to hit, guys. I'm gonna go heavy when the channel hits.
I want a small pullback, maybe 10 cents. That's it. But I'm getting evaporated already on these small candles. Down.
Just wait for the channel.
You got the channel marked out, Dimitri. What price target?
I duplicated the sloping support and I put it on top. Those channels usually hit nicely.
Jay, I'm in same day 657s. Just playing the double top on Qs, but this is still
Dimitri, how did you get
squeeze,
channel?
so I'm gonna stop out of this most likely.
This
No,
is
from the
psychological
bottom?
level on NQ as well.
So from
No,
the bottom,
Dimitri, how'd you get that orange line? Like, where did that come from?
I drew it. What are you talking about? What do you mean?
I know, but,
It was a
but where?
sloping support. You just duplicate it and you put it on top, and it's just like a measured move. Usually works. I'm doing tomorrow's expiration, guys. 6:56.
I'm still in. I didn't get spooked out yet. See, nice.
I'm
pullback.
in.
You just got in?
This is the top of the channel. This is the top of the channel, guys.
You just got in the same price that I'm in. I just bought
Tomorrow's
here.
expiration. Tomorrow's expiration.
You said wait for the top of the channel. Your fill was for the same area as mine.
So I'm going to hold these for a little bit now. This is the top of the channel, guys. Usually when we do hit the top, we actually go to the bottom and retrace. I'm very, very heavy.
I'm green. I don't want to stay in this too long. I see sloping support on the Qs. That's probably going to be my exit zone. If we get to 655.40s, that would be a gift.
I want the breakout, man. Is that too much to ask for?
You want to break out?
No, I want the breakout, the 654.60s breakout.
QQQ's rolling over a little bit, but they got sloping support.
Okay, Dimitri, I'm in with you for tomorrow's expiration.
No, if you're not gonna sell, that's fine. I'm just doing it for safety.
I got
0
10
dates is
cents.
better.
I got 10 cents here. I'm
I
gonna
have
take
8
half.
cents.
I just sold half. I'm sitting in $50.56 average now. $1.68 is the price. QQQ's pulling back.
Albert, the only reason I have tomorrow's expiration is I plan to hold this a little bit longer.
655.40.
Well, I'm not going to make any money, you're saying? I can still make money.
No, you're gonna make money if the direction is your favor, but I'm just planning on
I know, but I'm
holding.
just protecting
I'm
myself
out.
just in case.
I'm all out. $1.72. This is bounce
I'm
zone
gonna
on
hold this for a
Qs.
very long time, probably.
This is bounce zone on Qs. 50 on the 1 minute. You do not need a stop loss. That was a nice little trade. Like 15 cents total. 14 cents. If QQQ breaks POC, I'm jumping back in heavy. 655.40s gets taken out on SPY, I'm chasing. And my price target would be first sell target is 50 on the 1 minute. Second sell target is the channel that we broke out of. But as of now, we're still stair-stepping north. Still too dangerous to jump in a call here, MBZ. We didn't pull back enough.
Too late for that, bro.
Oy. I
I'm
would
in
sell.
profit though.
I would sell half
I'm
at
up
double
8
top.
cents. Yeah, that's what I was just gonna ride it to the top, watching the Qs closely because they struggled here earlier.
Yeah, if they
But I
crack
got
the
in at the
50
bottom
on
of
the
their
1
demand.
minute, if Q's crack the 50 on the 1 minute, I'd say take your profit on SPY.
There's so many puts out there.
Yes, there is.
And do you pay for real-time data
What do you mean?
on TradingView?
I only have the SPY. I don't have the ES data.
So you pay monthly for the SPY data?
No, it comes with my premium membership. I have this thing.
Oh.
And
No,
my-
I used to pay like $10 or $11 a month for like a combo thing, but my credit card changed and they didn't charge me for this month. I stopped paying for it, and it looks like it's the same thing. So I've been paying for like fucking 20 months already.
I have these
Paid
two.
like,
I have these two.
paid like $250 for no reason.
Whatever the fuck these two is. QQQ's
Does that-
breaking the 50.
Does
I'm
that
back
bottom
in-
one not
Yeah.
have ES?
I don't have ES, no. That's just for SPY. I'm back in
I have the
puts, guys.
ES one.
657 puts. QQQ's breaking down.
Albert, are you still holding? I'm holding my puts, Albert. This is why I have next
Yeah.
day.
Yeah.
I'm holding, buddy. I'm holding. I want VWAP to break. Honestly.
I'm only up like fucking
VWAP was never
the
back tested, guys.
7-10.
VWAP broke past the 946. VWAP should break or back test. That's my price target. My price target is VWAP.
QQQ just sliced the 50, heading to POC VWAP. We need to break through this here, and I'm going to start trimming. I have a $1.62 average. I got 10 cents here, $1.71, a little more. A little more. 655.40, I'm going to go all out. You know what? I got 11 cents. I'm taking half. Just in case we rubber band again. QQQ's at VWAP. Oh, if they slice this, this would be nice, though. I'm down to 50. I'm going to set my stop to break even so I don't risk anything on this. My stop's at $1.62. Yeah. My stop's about to get hit. I'm 1 cent away. No. Don't do it.
No, Daddy, no.
I'm like 1 cent away from my stop getting hit. I just don't want to give anything back. There we go. Stop just got hit.
I gotta learn how to set up the stops. I don't know how to do that.
It's right on your super dom. So here, look at. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna get back in. I'll get back in just 50 contracts, 657 puts.
Absolutely zero reason for stops. You just love paying commissions.
I'm up $6,300, so I don't really care.
How much are you up, Dimitri?
I am down 31,000.
God damn.
So
Being
Albert,
transparent. Not
Yeah.
every day is a good day.
Albert. So look at this.
Yes, sir.
So on the right, you see this little thing? That's my average. You see the $1.75 with the little dots next to it?
Right.
That's my average. So if we start moving into the green, so say it's $1, say the price is $1.80, $1.83 or $1.84, I can
Right.
click this little box here right to the right of the $1.75, and that will set my stop at break
Oh,
even.
that's what it. Uh-huh.
Right now I'm red.
Oh,
so
so I get to pick. It's saying sell. It's basically I'm just hovering over it. So if I see at 178, 179, it says sell. Basically, how much I have.
and if you're on the left side, that's your buy side. So if
Yeah, buy or and left. Gotcha. Oh my god.
you just cost me $1,100 to show you this.
Oh shit. Fuck, man. I thought you were out of the trade. Come on, bro. Got to be more responsible than that.
That was a fucking $1,100 masterclass, Albert.
Sorry. Keep holding, bro. I'm holding.
I was
I'm
only in
down.
50 contracts. I just added 50. I have a $1.63 average now. So check this out. So if I click right next to a $1.63 for me to get punched out break even, it will say that little red box. It's under ask or bid. So look, when you click that, it puts a line on your chart. And then if you want to get rid of it, you can either press the little X on the chart or you go up to the cancel button and press cancel. So that little line on your chart is where my break-even price is. That little red line. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Get your head in the game, bro. I don't want to cost you another 1,500 or whatever it was.
That's all right. I'll flip green right here and then I'll just sell. I'm down $200, so I'm gonna take. There we go. I'm green. $400.
There we go.
Thank you, Albert.
Now we're in the green. Very good.
$700. So look at this. We need to get this a little further away. So since I just sold half, let's take a look at this. Check this out. So since I sold half, I set my stop to my break-even price at $1.51. Our current price is $1.59, and that red line on my chart is where I'm break even. Does that make sense?
Ah,
And if I wanted to,
yeah,
if I
yeah.
wanted to move that, I can actually drag it. So like if I want to put a little more risk on, I can drag my stop.
Got it. Why aren't your green candles filled? You like it like that?
Yeah.
Got it.
It likes to be empty.
Mm-hmm. You like shooting blanks, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, it's the best.
I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
I'm all out.
Too early, Ryan. Too early.
Dude, I'm good, trust me. QQQ is at bounce zone.
Oh yeah, fucking Q's is so weak though. What the fuck?
They're at bounce zone.
I don't think today's a really good trading day, honestly. So fucking
Yeah.
boring.
BZ, are you still in calls? Oh boy. At
Oh,
BZ.
uh-oh.
If this breaks, dude, careful if you're holding calls. It's a dangerous spot to be in.
I'm not in calls. I'm up, but I'm doing that. I was doing that thing where I make 300, give back 200, make 200, give back 300. You know what I mean? So I might be done for the day if I don't see some drama. Because
Are you
I
green?
don't like.
Or you're just
Yeah,
flat?
I'm 1750 green. I wanted
Nice.
2000, but I might need to just stop.
Amazing
Nice job.
job.
Are you getting your confidence
Yeah.
back? A little bit?
Yeah, man. I like I told you, I think where I was fucking up was like I said, I would have a bad day, then I'd downsize. And I'm like, man, I would have made my money back if I didn't downsize so bad. So I think the key for me is not downsizing, it's shutting it down when I go down a total amount. You know what I
Right.
mean? Like stay in 50 contracts, but if I get down, 1K is kind of my limit unless that's like super early, and then 2K is like no fucking way I'm staying in when I'm down
Okay.
2K.
Yeah.
Because days like this, I would just make the 2K right back. You know what I mean?
Yep.
But yeah, I mean, I just had a nasty day, but I've been green more days than I've been red. And had I stopped when I lost $5,000 a few days ago, if I would have just stopped out at $1,000, $2,000, I'd be green right now for the month. So,
Yeah.
yeah, I mean, but I mean, I made 1,500 this morning off 3 good trades, went 3 for 3, and then like up here is when I start fucking around and giving it back. So that's why I say I'm gonna chill on this 1750 and see what happens.
Yeah.
Market is not doing anything, and my puts are actually increasing. This is weird. I'm actually
dude,
making money.
If they slice POC right here, they're gonna
Albert, is your
dump
puts
them.
increasing also? This is
Yo,
weird.
actually, you're right. I just realized that.
Markets is
what the
not doing
fuck?
anything. Oh, let me see the VIX is popping. That's why our IV is increasing, guys. Our IV
Ah, Vicky's acting like a hoe again. Look at that.
I just made $4,000 when the market did nothing. Market's doing nothing. I
Yo,
made
straight up,
$4,000.
bro. I didn't.
Vicky's acting like a hoe again, he said. I'm looking at this area here. This is pretty crucial for QQQ and SPY. POC, this is the 21. Q's is hanging out at VWAP, POC, 200. Everything's all bunched up. If they break through, they're going to try to push. So this is bounce zone.
IWM and SPY have the same structure. If they go below this like fucking flag, they both got a long way to go. I'm with you though. I think Q's need to slice their POC. Y'all SPY POC is right here in this range. It just popped.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's an
Look at these
open gap.
look at these candles, guys. Just stay away until they take the floor out or do something. No. These candles, the volume completely dried up, and these are like 3-4 cent body candles, so this is bounce zone. QQQ bounce zone also.
You know what? Let's keep trading on some fake money. I'm gonna shut down Thinkorswim and go to TopStep.
There you go.
It's only $38 a month. That doesn't count, right? New lesson: if you want to be a complete fucking degen, just do it on TopStep.
I mean, dude, if you already made your money, it's good. It's good. Just get out of it and shut it off and go fuck around on Top Step. I condone that completely. I'm not fucking opening my Top Step until they give me my account back.
But what happened? You tried to withdraw and they wouldn't give you your money?
No,
Essentially?
I opened up a second eval. I have one eval that's passed. I opened up a second eval and I took 2 trades for $1,500, and then it said the next trading day it said that it was ineligible. So I emailed them all my information, and then they gave me my account back at a $47,000 balance, which isn't even possible. And I'm yet to hear from them. I sent them a nice nasty long email, and they haven't emailed me back. So I'm not gonna activate my other past account until I get my other one back. It's fucking ridiculous. I sent them my calendar. I mean, there's only 2 trades taken on that account, and it's, I don't know. Ryan, I sent you the screenshots too. I don't know how they can fuck me on that one. That's pretty amazing. But it is what
Just
it
do a
is.
chargeback on your credit card.
I'm going
Yeah,
to.
that shit's stupid.
Actually, I can't. I did it on my Charles Schwab debit card.
You could do it. I'm pretty sure you could do it there.
I'm going to charge them back for everything then. Charge them back like 10 grand. It's my only complaint about Top Step is their customer service is a little fucked up. Gives me Robin Hood vibes. I got to talk to a robot first.
Yeah, it can definitely be stupid.
And then they take like fucking 2 to 3 business days to respond to your message, and it's usually just a.
Shopify is also fucking annoying.
I mean, I've got limited experience, but dude, Schwab is like above and beyond from my experience so far.
Dude, Schwab,
are.
Schwab, you can press the support button in your broker and be connected to somebody within 30 seconds.
Mhm.
There's a support button on Thinkorswim desktop, and it connects you straight to a live agent.
Oh, the same person calling me back over 2 weeks to help me get 20-cent contracts. Like, people don't call you back in customer service to lose money for the company and save you money. You know what I mean? Like, that's just
Right.
unheard of in today's world, I feel like.
Oh, trust me,
So,
you'll
yeah.
make them money.
I've already made them a fuck ton.
Guys, this is it. If they break this floor, I'm back in 657 puts. QQQ's trying to take another whack at it, but I want to let them go first. Still bouncing off a POC. Nope, nothing yet.
Fucking around, bro.
Look at the size of this body on this candle. It's 1 cent.
They're kind of making a tiny cup and handle at the top.
Today looks like a Friday.
See which way we go.
What they're doing. This looks like Friday price action where they just go one direction and then hold it and burn. I don't like anything up here. These candles are not appealing to me. I need to see QQQ break through 582.60s with power, and SPY needs to get through 655.60s. 64 to be exact. If they can do that, I'll jump in 657 puts.
Flush already. Fuck.
656 puts are a little too cheap for me. That's why I'm going 657. I don't like how close 656 is to less than $1, because if they make a fresh high, those contracts are going to get ran over. That's why I'm interested in 657 puts. Nice job, Jay. 762. Oh, yeah. Shut it down. Good job. Welcome back, brother. I want them to crack this floor, dude. It just looks like it's... My concern is they crack the floor and they put a crazy wick below and fucking shoot it back out to a new high. That's my only concern on chasing this move, because I feel like everybody's waiting for them to take this floor out to jump. The 50 on the 1 minute's right there. It's not too far, so it's my only concern. QQQ still has buyers off of POC and VWAP. We got any big movers today anywhere else? Let's see. Look at UNH, man. UNH is still pushing. I missed the fucking boat on UNH. Look at UNH chart.
Is it over 350?
Yeah. Dang, I missed the boat.
Look at Oracle, guys. Oracle is dumping like no tomorrow. Look at Oracle, guys.
Oh my god, I wanted to take a fucking put play on that shit yesterday.
Oracle contracts are, they're so bad. The IV is so ridiculous, though. Let me look at Oracle. All products.
He was ahead of Elon Musk just for one day, right? For a split second, and now he's back in second place.
Oracle contracts are 100% IV. If you go a couple days out, they're still 50, 60% IV.
Is a cup on SPY?
Oh, God, what the fuck is going on?
Albert, same day Oracle contracts at the money are $6.
Oh my god.
And it's 100% IV, so expect those contracts to get split in half by the end of the day.
Oh my god, that's insane.
It's just, it's such a hard, it's unless they're going in one direction, it's very difficult to make money. QMM. Dude, did my fucking battery just die on my keyboard again? QMMM. I don't have any option data for QMM. They have no options. You're just talking the chart? QMMM. Yeah.
It's ridiculous.
I saw that push to 300. I think we looked at that yesterday. Look at now they're hanging back out here though. $100. If they break that $71 area, they're gonna head back to like $20. There's nothing there.
This is the top of the
calls
channel.
with my entire account.
What are you in?
No, I'm kidding. I'm in calls with 5 top stuff.
Yeah, Jay, that's insane. Could you imagine catching that move? I think Jim C posted it. QQQ's firing up the gas. I'm not really I'm not really interested in taking any trades up here, guys, to be honest with you. I'm not going to chase calls up here. QQQ's looking like they're going to do a breakout right now.
I'm holding longs right now.
Yeah, if you got in longs off of 655 60s, that's the best place to be for insurance.
Just try to hold these longs till Q's hits their top again.
If
I would-
NQ can break over 2400, it's gonna go.
This triple
I think
top
the Q's
QQQ.
go past this top. Right.
This is
It
major
looks-
resistance.
Bullish momentum's coming in though in the Qs.
There's definitely a lot of resistance right here, so if it breaks, it's gonna squeeze.
QQQ, where is the top?
I think I should add over here, no?
584. You're adding into an unknown territory, especially right now that QQQ is making a fresh high. I would say if you're not down too much, I would say wait. I wouldn't add because they can just continue, and you're just going to be adding. We're in blue skies now. There's nothing here. QQQ, if they go another 20 cents, QQQ will also be in blue skies. Look at this market, man. This market's relentless. Whew.
Come on, baby, let's go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 candles, 8 green candles in a row.
I'm in at 77.
The bears should capitulate.
I held
Eventually.
through that whole little like cup.
I don't know when they're going to capitulate, dude. Look at the put to call ratio. There's almost 1 million more puts than calls today, and it's still growing. Once I see the call side start evening out, that's when I would start looking for a top. So once you see this put to call ratio get a little bit closer, that's when I would start looking for a top. As of right now, they can just continue and just run these people over. Let's go swing. $8,500 bucks.
Trade, bro.
That's a healthy day.
Come on, NQ.
But it's going. It's about to take yesterday's highs out.
Yeah, it's so close.
But what's going?
That's scary. I don't want to participate in this. The problem is they don't have to go far to spook bears. You know, it's not like they need to take this thing to fucking 660 to spook all the bears out.
Yeah, for sure.
I mean, Max Payne is 650.
I know.
At this point, they're just sitting on the bears. Funny. This is wild.
This is the Bulls right now.
Yep.
I don't know. Structure's bullish. Everything's bullish.
Correct.
They're crushing VIX again.
September 19th will be fun. It is OPEX quarterly.
VIX actually has sloping support right here.
VIX didn't make a lower low.
No, they have a sloping support, VIX. This is it right here, sloping support on VIX.
VIX did not make a lower low. SPY made a higher high. Oh, I'm fucking crushed, honestly. It's one of the worst days I'm having right now.
Swinging all-time highs this is it. This is dangerous.
I mean, risking what you made yesterday, while it was risky, I mean, you know your risk. It's not bad at all. CPI would have stayed down and tanked, you would have made a lot of money.
Yeah, fuck ton of money, I know, but this is insane. This is insane. Why are they keep going? This doesn't make sense. Wild.
And BZ, are you
I
still
think I
in?
saw.
No, I saw it. I'm up 659 on the day in Top Step.
Good
Nice.
job.
I think someone said that they were considering a 75-point basis cut or whatever the hell it's called.
No way.
0.75.
Shit.
Yeah.
Sheesh.
That might be
It's
why
gonna
the
be
market's just grinding higher.
it's gonna be an emergency rate cut.
But isn't that priced in though?
No, 25% is priced in, I think, no?
Yeah, 25% is like 99 or like, I mean, like it's gonna happen. I think it's like 91%, 25, like 8%, 50.
Market fails to realize if they do it more, there's something wrong with our economy.
Yeah. Well, once the bear party starts with the cuts, it's gonna be on.
Oh, dude, I can't wait for the VIX to pop back up, buddy. Trust me. That's gonna be the walk-off home run on my year. If we get VIX to spike back into the 50s or 60s, I'm gonna go very, very heavy on a long expiration put.
For VIX?
Yeah.
Nice.
I need that sucker at like 50, 60 bucks minimum though for me to put size in.
Yeah, definitely.
I think earlier this year I did like 100,000 on VIX, and the position did 90 something percent.
Dude, I would just love to see the volatility we had in April again too. That shit was wild on Top Step.
If we crank back down to like 500s area, somewhere in the 500s, like if we do like a 50, 60 point drop, dude. Oh boy. It's going to be go time. Save your ammo, ladies and gentlemen, because it will be go time. Remember SPXL? SPXL is at 200 bucks. I had an $80 average on SPXL, and I didn't hold it like an idiot.
I did the same thing with VWAP this morning, Norville. I should have been in from 65.53. I should have been in from the 9:45 1-minute candle.
VIX expiration. Here, Jay, I'll give you the VIX expiration dates. This is it. Save
September
this, Jay.
17th. September 17th. This is a short squeeze, ladies and gentlemen. We have no cycles. We hit the ground running today. A little bit of consolidation at 10 o'clock. And we're continuing north. This is a short squeeze. No cycles, one direction bullish. Volume's drying and market's still pushing north.
We just invalidated the bearish divergence on the daily time frame. Yeah. Market is above Bollinger Band. Bollinger Band is at 655 on the daily time frame. Very overextended.
I got nothing up here. You're just throwing freaking darts into a dark room trying to time the top.
Yep.
You're kind of throwing fuel to the fire.
Yeah, based off of the put to call ratio, correct? 2 million puts. Almost 900,000 more puts than calls. I'm going to go grab a monster. I'll be right back.
Enjoy.
Dimitri, all the motion suspended. Is it a great time to grab 2-week outputs?
To tell you the truth, I'm looking at the daily. Look at the 5-day moving average, how sloping it's aggressively. And the Bollinger Bands, if you notice, they're not contracting anymore, they're expanding. We could actually go up, 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 up. If you see the daily time frame. Because we were contracting as of the 9th, but now as of yesterday, we're expanding. So
Okay, I'm back. Got my lunch.
So wait till it squeezes tighter. Wait till the Bollinger Band squeezes tighter.
I have no idea, man. I have no idea at this point. I just wanna get half my losses back. I'm deep, deep, deep right now.
I love this guy. This meme. You ever see this meme? 90% of
Yeah,
the time,
I
I
know.
have no idea what the fuck I'm talking about.
What I'm talking about? Joe Biden.
Well, I wouldn't get excited over one red candle. I'd say if we
But
pull
wait.
back and bounce off of 650, 625s, it's still going to be bullish. QQQ is holding the top. I don't know if anybody's looking at. Do I even have my screen shared?
But VIX is about to have a breakout. I don't understand what the fuck is going on.
There you go. I thought I was sharing my screen.
Anybody noticing that VIX is about to have a fucking breakout?
VIX is still on sloping support.
Buddy, this is just I don't understand. Something is cooking.
Yeah, VIX has sloping support.
Something is cooking, man.
Oh God.
I'm not going to chase a put. I'd say if we hold 650, 620s, it could be a potential long entry as long as QQQ stays where they are. I just don't want to get clapped. The slow moving candles, it's not, I'm not really a fan.
Somebody just added. Somebody added or sold.
It wasn't me.
Might be my top step fucking around.
Oh, okay.
Order failed.
I'll pull back Kirby.
Order failed. That thing haunts me, that noise.
Ding!
Oh, buddy, you remember the Apex ding
Yeah.
when you would get liquidated?
You blew your account.
I'm telling you, I have the land speed record for blowing up Apex accounts. I remember the first
First
time.
trade, I'm in. It's blown.
Yeah, I remember the first time I ever tried futures. It was on Apex, and this was with Steve. I remember I was on the phone with Steve, and we bought I don't know, the big account where you can do like, I think it was 150K or 200K, and I just went full port size on one of the news candles, like try to inverse,
gosh.
like to inverse a news candle and like catch a wick. That thing blew in like a fraction of the second.
Yeah.
As soon as
Like,
it said
in
order
and
filled, the
out.
thing was done. I got the pop up on my screen. I was like, oh, it's like that.
Can't do that.
I was doing a bunch of research last night on different prop firms. Have you guys ever messed around with Tradify?
I've
No,
looked
but I
into
saw
them.
something. I saw something interesting that a guy like there's a website that it's almost just like a prop firm review site, and you can see a bunch of user feedback to know if you're getting into a good one or a shitty one. I thought that was kind of
Yeah.
interesting.
Also, Take Profit Trader. Have you ever looked into that?
No, I'm brand new to prop firms.
I've looked into that one too.
Take Profit was interesting to me because they don't charge an activation fee. It's just a one-time $170.
Yeah.
But the
One of the biggest
downside,
things I like
the downside
is
to
just
that,
like the sorry, go ahead.
no, I was just saying the downside to that was like I think you needed a 7-day consistency, and it was like 20%. So you really have to be careful with how much you're making for your evaluation.
Yeah. I just really like the Top Step X platform. I don't want to go back to like TradeOvate or anything like that. Yeah.
Funded futures family 50% straight to funded. What do you mean 50%? Funded futures family. I didn't look that one up. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at that one, Joey. Funded
let's go.
futures family. Bounce zone is 656.25.
We're no longer in profit, Dimitri.
Oh, you don't even want to know how much I'm down today. Buddy, I'm down a salary.
Where's funded futures family? Oh, here it is.
We need to go to POC, I think, just to break fucking even on this trade.
Oh, buddy, if we dump right now, it's gonna be crazy. Every candle, Albert, is like 4,000 or 5,000 for me.
This is bounce zone number 1. QQQ's rolling. QQQ's rolling over. If they take out this bounce zone number 2 is going to be 655.60s. But this is bounce zone number 1.
Okay, I just shaved.
How it works. Let's take a dude, their website looks like absolute garbage, Joey.
That's Jadon's company.
Funded futures family?
It used to be.
Really?
That was the best bounce area. You called it to the T, Ryan.
I'm
That
just
bounce.
looking. I was looking at the top of 1008.
Yeah. Called it to the T. Thank God I shaved. I'm actually gonna increase my size now again.
Minimum days to pass. 1 day, $3,000 profit target. You only have a $1,500 drawdown. Reset fees $75.
Wild. Right. Put my ad back on.
End of day drawdown's pretty nice versus trailing on the Premier
Which
plan,
one?
Joey.
What's the drawdown, Ryan, on that?
Well, the Premier plan, you only have a $1,500 drawdown, and your profit target's $3,000. You can pass it in one day. The Elite plan on the 50K is a $2,000 drawdown, but you have an intraday trailing.
Fucking
How
go.
coming in?
Let's fucking go. What an ad.
Oh, come on.
Come on.
Classic plan.
Oh, buddy.
Straight to funded. $499. You need to trade for 7 days. Trailing max drawdown 2,000.
This is sloping resistance, guys. This is my favorite setup, but today is not appreciating my setups. This is my favorite setup. Come on.
Joey, on the funded futures family, you're better off just going with the Premier $50,000 account because you can pass it in one day. It's going to save you $400 because there's no activation fee. If you do straight to funded, it's you still got to trade the 7 days. Excuse me.
Oh, buddy.
Bless you.
Bless you.
Bless you, child.
Most of these rules are all the same. It's just pricing and activation fees. That's where they get you. You want to do the Elite plan? Hold on.
Right, you're into like these AI softwares and stuff like that, right?
Yeah.
Have you heard of Replit?
What is it?
Replit. REPLIT.
What is that, Albert?
Actually thick. It can actually build your entire website with all the options you want and everything. Like I'm just giving you an example. It could create the whole thing for you through a prompt. It'll even show you a preview of the website where you can fuck around with it and everything. It's fucking dope. I mean, Google just bought into it like $3 billion or some shit.
ChatGPT builds your whole website also. TradeHub stocks is all ChatGPT.
Their
It's a little bit different. All
HTML
the
coding is. Joey, the Elite plan, it's I don't know. You're basically paying for an extra $500 an extra $500 of drawdown if you go onto the Elite plan, but you have a $100 activation fee. Premier plan, you have a $0 activation fee. It's $130. Elite plan, $65 to start plus $100 to activate. Same thing, 1 day to pass. The only thing you're getting is that extra $500 of drawdown. No, it's not the same price. The Elite plan's more because you have to pay that $100 activation fee. Unless they have a sale. Yeah. They have a 50% on... If they have a 50% on the Premier plan, you might as well just do that. You have 0 activation fee. That makes the most sense. You can get in there for $72. And it's a 1 day pass.
This is ridiculous.
Okay, guys, I just added. Fuck it.
What strike are you? 656?
Yeah.
What's your average? I'm at 154.
Average is now 151.
Oh, wow. You have a nice average.
151 roam.
Party 151, baby. Let's go.
This is ridiculous. I don't know what the
Oh,
fuck.
what the fuck, bro?
I hate trading like this, honestly. I'm just fucking guessing right now. There's nothing.
Structure's bullish.
There's nothing.
655.20 is his demand.
I know. You're bullshit.
You do not need a
Just
stop
I have
loss.
0 levels. I can't trade when I have 0 levels.
You're not going to be thinking clearly because you're down 30,000 on a put swing. So your bias is going to be that the market should go down today.
Correct. And I have 0 levels.
And we're in just blue skies. The only level I have right here is 657, and that's the top of the market ever.
What the fuck is that?
The big hairy bear step in already? Fuck. Fuck, everybody gotta make money. Share the love.
I don't see a reason to short this. If I do see a put opportunity, I'll let you know, but I don't see it. We could potentially do a lower high off of 657 and then try to break 656.25. That would be confirmation to try to go south, but QQQ is still sloping support. Higher highs, higher lows on the Qs for now. Market's moving like a slug.
Technically speaking, right, while we're just waiting here, and I just want to learn, being that I'm taking an expiration for tomorrow, I'm still around the range of 151, right? If we still cruise around here,
Oh, it's gonna decay also. You still have theta
yeah,
decay.
I know it's gonna decay, but how much is it really gonna decay? Because tomorrow there's still, I mean, you know,
What
I'm
strike
still
are you
that
in right
range.
now?
656.
Yeah, your contract, if you swing your contract here, right here, if we don't go anywhere, 656 same day, 60 cents.
Yeah. Don't
What?
swing them, Albert. Don't swing them. Yeah, they're gonna be split in half by tomorrow because of theta. Yeah, you should not swing. I'm not planning on swinging. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing today. I'm an idiot. Oh, look at the 30-minute chart, guys. Look at the 30-minute MACD.
MACD's filling up the gas right now in the 1 minute. Crossing. Let's see if they do a lower high here.
This is so bullish, honestly.
Look at how long our cycles are today, too, guys. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Our cycles are like 20 minutes up and down. So right now we can have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can have another 5 minutes of bullishness before they even try to roll it, just based off of how the cycles have been today, the time in between cycles. Very slow. The waves are slow today.
Give me VWAP and I'm out.
If you listen to my momentum masterclass that you wanted, Albert, you would understand what I mean by the waves, surfing the waves.
I mean, I'm not down that much. I mean, I'm red for the day now, but only down $210.
Just full pour SPX.
What's up?
I'm just kidding.
Nah, I'm too pussy for that. I can't. Like, I need some serious nerves for that one. Crazy.
Hey, Dimitri,
I don't think anybody should touch SPX if you're a beginner, ever.
No. Dimitri, I'm gonna go over
Not even one contract.
I'm gonna go over to the mall today.
Uh-huh.
You know that cologne that you got?
Uh-huh.
The alt one? Did you try any other scents or no?
No, I bought 3. I gave 2 to Guzal, and I kept 1 for myself.
You bought 3 of the executive ones?
I bought 2 of the executive ones, and I bought 1 of the Baccarat for women.
Uh-huh.
And yeah, Guzal took 2 of them, and I kept the executive for myself.
I gotta bring
What the
something
fuck is
with
a
me.
guzal?
Guzad.
Uzal is my living nanny.
No, I know. I'm kidding. I know.
God bless her.
What's a guzal? Does that mean something?
It's one of the stands name. Like if she's from Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan,
From Kazakhstan.
Tajikistan, Kazakhstan. Yeah. So well, like I said, one of the stands.
Are they gonna do a lower high here and try to take out 650, 620s, or are they gonna push?
If
Did
they
you
do
guys ever
that,
watch Barbershop?
The movie, Ice Cube movie.
I'm gonna try it,
Yeah,
guys.
yeah.
I'm in 657 puts, 96-cent average. If this candle flips green and they head to new high, I'm just gonna stop out.
I'm also in puts, but I'm at the bottom of that pullback.
I'm
Down
trying to play
$1,100 top step dollars.
top step dollars. I'm trying to play a lower high here, potential maybe to bounce zone 650, 620. If they take it out, great. I doubt it because QQQ is still looking pretty bullish. So I got 4 cents here. Nothing crazy.
Come on, one monster candle out of nowhere. Hold it for at least 5 seconds.
I see some bearish volume coming in, but QQQ is still looking bullish. QQQ. I got 3 cents here. This market's moving really slow. I'm gonna set my stop at. I'm gonna only risk like $500 on this, so I'll set my stop to 91 cents. It's basically the top of 1103 candle. If we take out the 1103 candle, I'll get stopped out.
Ryan, you were saying when you set a stop on Thinkorswim, you can actually drag it on the chart. Is that what you said?
Yeah.
How do you do that? Like, because I don't see it on the chart to drag.
So here, hold on. I'll record this for you. So you set your stop. So you're looking at the chart. Say you want to set your stop to, I don't know, the top of this candle here. So here's your stop. You just drag it on the super dom. So if you want to open up more risk, you just drag it down. If you want it closer, you drag it up.
I'm looking at your screen, but it says it's showing your trading view charts.
Yeah, hold on.
Oh, you're just gonna record it, send it to me.
Yeah, because I have my OBS running on the other monitor. Hold on. Here you go. Stop. So you're looking at the chart. Say you want to set your. Did the video come through or no?
Yeah, I'm watching it right now.
QQQ is looking like they're gonna take off, guys. So I'm probably gonna. I'm putting my stop to break even. I'm not gonna risk anything on this trade.
Oh, I see. You're dragging it on the Superdome, but it mirrors it on the charts.
Correct.
Gotcha.
Chart. Say you want to set your stop to. I don't know, the top of this candle here.
It's not always accurate
So
though,
here's your
because the
stop.
price on the
You just
charts and
drag
the
it
price
on
of the
super dom.
contracts
So if
is
you wanna
different.
open up more risk, Yeah, it you just fluctuates. drag
Because
it
it's
down.
options.
If you want it closer, Yeah, it fluctuates. It
Dimitri.
bounces
Drag
around. it up.
Well, what time would you hold this trade the longest if you were in my
I'm gonna
position?
hold it. I'm gonna hold it if I'm gonna be green. That's what I'm holding. I have a lot of contracts.
I'm saying if you were me as a beginner,
I
let's
just
say,
sold, guys. I took
what
my
would be
3
like-
cents. They're
Oh,
gonna
a
go
new high.
high.
You should stop out at a new high, because if they make a new high, they're just gonna keep going up, 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 up. I don't know what the hell they want to do. We're already on top of that channel, so I have no idea. They're just bringing so much pain right now for the people that are shorting.
Yeah, I'm.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So here's your stop. You just drag it on.
They're
the
giving
super
you
dom.
that
So if you wanna
maximum
open up
dick
more
right
risk,
now,
you
bro.
just drag it down.
Old
If you
people,
want it
not Max
closer,
Payne.
you drag it up.
I'm a champ. I
Sorry,
can take it.
Yeah.
Damn, bro. Pause.
Hold on.
What's that movie with
Yeah.
Paul Rudd where he's in the mirror? You know what I'm talking about? He's
Oh
like,
yeah,
"I'm
yeah.
looking at
Wanderlust.
Yeah.
Wanderlust. When he's
I got
about to go sleep with
experience.
that other girl.
Yeah.
Market
I'll have
maker.
been that page.
You like that?
Sorry for the lady. Yeah.
You like that?
Yuck.
Oh, I'm gonna give you that yuck. That movie's funny.
Oh, buddy.
You remember when they get their studio apartment in New York City and it's like 100 square feet?
Dude, I don't really remember that movie other than that scene. That sounds kind of fucked up, but I don't even know if I've seen it all. I'm sure I have. Maybe I fell asleep.
I never saw that movie.
I'm not getting back in puts yet until I see QQQ take out 583.80. If QQQ could take out 583.80, I'll jump back in 657 puts.
Brian, why are you even trading today at this point? You're green. I don't even know. I think you should just fuck it. It's like so boring. Like I wish I didn't even get in this trade and just
Well, I'm trying to
go on
give you
my
an
day. I was
opportunity
up
for
$200.
Trying to give you an opportunity for a snipe because, dude, if they start breaking down, they're gonna trap. It's just
What? Snipe. Everybody's holding hopes. Snipe. Fucking
I only took like 3 trades today. 4 trades.
You're supposed to only take 2 solid maximum.
I'm not holding
solid
hopes.
trades.
I have 3 fucking strikes right now I'm holding. I have 3 spy strikes right now I'm holding.
Well, losing's a choice. You could have just been satiated with your $20,000 day yesterday and not swing. And could have woke up today and just jumped in calls with me.
Really controlling myself and saying something, but I'm not gonna say anything.
You fucking perma bull.
Motherfucker said losing is a choice.
I'm back in 657 puts.
Oh god, this guy has FOMO.
I want 650. I want 650, 620s to touch.
Let's go, Ryan. Prove it to me that wasn't FOMO and that was a real strategy play. Let's see.
It's probably FOMO.
Pure FOMO.
Yep. FOMO it is. I was trying to fucking ride your luck, Ryan.
No,
look at this bullshit.
Sloping support.
That's
Dude,
it.
the reason why I like this Albert is because we made a lower high, but right now we're punching through. So this is going to be invalid if we take out the top of 1103 candle. QQQ's breaking out for a new high.
I think I'm gonna switch over to my phone, the office, while I'm doing this. I'm not taking any more trades regardless today.
They're going to break out, guys. I'm going to double because I'm a fucking degen. I just doubled. QQQ failed breakout.
Like you. Double top. Let's get the fuck out of here. Let's go south.
1103 candle gets taken out. I'm out of this trade. I don't care how much I'm down. I'm not going to hold it. I'm down $1,500 here. It's like
Losing is a choice, Ryan.
I know. I wanted to chase them to 650, 620s, but everything's just too bullish. They could still reject.
Support. We're sloping resistance.
It's a wedge. We're in a wedge. Very tight wedge. Usually this breaks out. I don't like the power that Qs are showing right now. And the put to call ratio is still fucking 1,000,000. There's 1,000,000 more puts. I have a $1.01 average. We're at 96 cents. If I get close to break even or maybe a few cents, I'm going to just take it.
There is 1,000,000 puts, but there's also 1,000,000 calls.
I know, dude, but there's 1,000,000 more puts.
Should give the both treatment.
But there's 1,000,000 more puts.
What's 50%?
I pray to God at least 500,000 of them are fucking rookie traders that are fucking garbage contract sizes.
VWAP is 50% retracement of today.
For every 2 people shorting, there's 1 person buying calls. It's kind of, I don't know. It doesn't really seem like they need to take it down. If anything, they're just going to keep it up here. I don't really see the point of them continuing north because all the bears are already just steamrolled.
They're gonna make a new high.
Can we go back to POC first so I can get out of this?
They're gonna make a new high. All the bears are gonna exit, and then they're gonna go down.
Let's go to POC first.
No, they're gonna make a new high.
No. POC. I need POC first. So I can get the fuck out of this.
Oracle? Oracle's at strong demand. Swing trades. If you look at the 30-minute chart, if it breaks 310, it's going to 240. So Oracle's at strong demand. This is the best level to buy Oracle swing trades.
QQQ's looking like they're gonna break out right now.
Oracle is bullish.
I have a $1.01 average. We're at 95 cents. I'm in 200 contracts at the top, and it looks like it's gonna break out. I do not like this.
You stole the covered call?
I need to. Oh Jesus.
Yep, they're gonna go higher. All the bears are gonna capitulate once they go higher. Wow.
Capitulating.
Yeah, I just
There we
got
go.
steamrolled.
Yep.
You just went higher.
Yeah, they broke out. I don't even want to fucking add to this.
They're gonna go down, guys. Relax.
They're not going down. This is ridiculous. I don't know what the fuck is going on.
I should have just left my fucking brokerage off, Albert.
I told you, but you would have listened. Well, look at you now. You stoop now.
I'm down over 2K, but Top Step hasn't shut my account down. So I guess if I don't sell this trade, it'll still let me go down further.
It will shut down. Trust me.
If so, I'm just gonna go fucking work out and come back and hope we took VWAP out.
QQQ.
X just broke sloping support. X could go low of the again.
Look at the volume on QQQ on that breakout candle. That's not a fake out. They're gonna continue. I added 50. I have a 98 cent average now. We're at 83 cents. I just want us to fucking pull back a little bit so I can lighten the blow. If we continue off of this candle, I'm just gonna have to stop out.
This is wild.
My bears are shook. Let's fucking go to VWAP.
I'm so down right now, Brian. This is so bad.
The problem is there's too many bears in the market. There's no reason for them to fucking pull it down when there's a million more people shorting this. I'm stopping out before I flip red on the day. Jesus Christ. I had $6,000
volume on Qs.
Wow.
That's a lot of volume on Qs.
Yeah. Yeah,
It's
that's
a
not
brand new high for Qs.
That's not a fake move, MBZ. That's momentum. That's power. When you see volume and everything's pushing in the same direction, it's not a fake out. They're gonna continue. I got fucking clobbered on that. I'm back to $1,100 on the day. I had 6,000.
Oh,
Top Step's down 3,000.
Your Top Step account's still alive? Is it a practice account?
Yeah, it's combined. But it shut me down the other day, but I thought I didn't sell and it shut me down. Right now, I'm in a sell. I mean, I'm in a trade and it's not shutting me down. It wouldn't let me back into topstep.com. Like, for some reason, it wouldn't let me in the website at all. Like, not like it wouldn't even go to the login page. So it, like, forced me to go back to my Top Step X. With the
It's a
account that was already
dashboard.
bounced
Top Step.
back.
You got to type in Top Step dashboard.
I did. That's what I was typing in. Dashboard/login, dashboard. Like, it just kept spinning. Same site I had clicked on the other day when I signed up. So I'm like, fuck, dude, did there AI here that I blew up that account and I was going to start a new one? Or so yeah, I'm going to see if I can crush this entire 50K in this put. That's what I'm going to do.
I want my fucking loss back. This is pissing me off. I don't want to jump in a fucking put here though. But guess we'll try it. 3 candles.
It was just right at pre-market high from Wednesday.
I'm in 658 puts. Let's see if we get a little bit of a retrace. I'd like to get a little bit of my money back. $1.05 is my average. Looks like they're gonna try to continue based off the cues. Dimitri, I had a stop set and it fucking smoked right by it on that trade.
I'm so steamrolled right now.
Oh, if we get a pullback, I'll get my loss back. I'm in 250 contracts. I got 1,200 here. I need more than this, though. Come on. Just go back and touch our breakout zone, 657. I'm not asking for more than that. 657 would be key. There we go. I just jumped out. $1.14. $1.05 to $1.14. Oh boy, too early. I'm back in. I'm chasing this. I want 657. My stop's at break even. $1.11. Just in case they flick it back up. You know what? I'm not even going to risk this. Never mind. I don't like it. Oh, yeah. I'll start over trading if I continue, so I'm going to just shut it off. QQQ is looking like they're going to try to pull it back a little bit and do a little bit of a retrace, but I don't trust it. I'm back to 4,300, so I'm just going to leave it there, shut it off there.
Got to be harder to trade with giant accounts like you guys have.
It's easier.
It's much easier.
It seems
a lot
easier in some
easier.
ways. But in some ways, it's like, it doesn't seem like the money would feel real if it was, you know what I mean? You're down 5K and you got a $2 million account.
No, but I'm only using like 1% of my account, so I could add like 500 times if that makes sense. I just don't do it.
When you start hitting like at least 100 contracts to 200 contracts, all you need is a candle or two.
Right.
Most of the times, unless it's like
It's a lot
completely,
easier when you
unless it's like a completely crushed VIX where contracts aren't moving. Like yesterday, I was sizing all my positions where my entries were 150 to 200 because the contracts weren't really moving. But you don't need like this unrealistic huge retracement to print. As long as you don't get yourself into a shitty situation where you're deep red on the day, all you got to do is just catch a wave, you know? A little cycle. 1 or 2 candles. Same thing on SPX. If you're on SPX with size, just 1 or 2 candles. That's all you need. I find it the easiest MBZ. Like once I get like my first trade out of the way and get a little bit of profit on the day, then it doesn't. I don't hesitate when I jump in. You know what I mean?
Same. Yeah, my best trade days is when my first trade or two is green. Like when first trade or two is red, I don't think I trade near as good.
Right.
I
Because then
trade
you
scared.
have a little bit of working buffer. You're not really hesitating on an entry. You're just jumping in, and if you're wrong, you just jump out.
They're gonna do parts of it.
QQQs will getting volatility coming in. Lots of volume, bearish volumes coming in on the Qs right now.
It's at its all-time high from yesterday, right? Yeah.
Yeah, but that candle was a lot of bearish volume.
Let me talk to them. Let me see what they're doing right now.
Ryan, can you imagine the people that sold at the bottom? Remember those articles we read?
I know. Everybody that was
401k.
spooked about their 401ks.
Disgusting. Look what they did to the market. Market basically went up
crazy.
200 points.
It's crazy, Dimitri, because retail, like honest working individuals that work their whole lives, that invested in a 401k and had matches, probably flipped red or at least got the last 5-6 years of profits taken out, and then they sold. Banks and big money, they jumped on the fucking train at the bottom. I remember Schwab was in the Oval Office the day after his what is it? What did they call Trump's day? The
Liberation Day.
Liberation Day. He had Charles Schwab in his Oval Office bragging about how they made $1 billion in one trading day. It's like,
sheesh.
Those
Yeah,
guys.
there's some motherfuckers that cranked out some cash that had some inside information on all that.
Those guys got in at fucking 480, and they're still on the fucking train, in my opinion.
I think I was like selling a cash secured put on TLT, and yeah, that's what I didn't realize is I didn't know yet because I was still newish, and I didn't know that after market hours you can still get assigned. So like I'd sold a put and I wasn't going to get assigned at the bell, but because remember his speech was after market hours, and then I still got assigned and fucking lost a ton of money. But then I made it all back up on that giant green candle day a few days later.
I can't wait for
But that drop was the biggest amount of money I've ever made.
Really?
I can't
Yeah,
wait for them to cook the market
trading
again.
my parents' account. I was trading a parents' account.
Are you swinging?
Yeah. Yeah, when the VIX is over 20, it's just puts. It's just puts.
You took that Robinhood account from 6,000 to what?
334,000.
In how many months? 3 months?
3.5 months.
Impressive. Very impressive. What the hell is that noise?
I was wondering.
I'll be right back.
Oh, this is still looking bullish. Did you get dinged out? MBZ?
Me? No.
Really?
Just fucking sitting here down 2,800.
How the fuck?
I don't know what's up.
Is your account, does it say combine or does it say practice?
I'm definitely in
Top
trading
left.
combine. 50K trading combine.
And it doesn't say ineligible?
Mm-mm.
That's awesome.
That's what I'm saying. I'm pretty sure yesterday it did. I'm just going to sit here and hope we can, you know. I mean, like I said, I wanted to start a fresh account anyways. I didn't want to trade on this one that was already down $2,000.
Yeah. Well, there's no buffer there. Jay, you're green, man. That's it. Shut her down. If they reverse this, I don't think they're gonna do it until after lunchtime. Now they're gonna just keep this elevated and squeeze these bears as much as they can. Because I mean, dude, the freaking put to call ratio is still growing put side heavy.
It's exactly the same algo. Staircase, landing, staircase, landing. Same exact algo.
Look at the PC ratio, though. Freaking ridiculous.
It's the same exact algo.
I haven't seen it like this in a while. Let's look at PC.
I don't even know if I should add here. This is going against all rules.
I'm gonna stop out eventually. I can't lose this much money already.
How much are you down?
I'll text you later.
Oh God.
Down almost a rack on this. It has to go down a little bit. Come on, like it's just.
You have to do anything. No, it's making higher highs and higher lows.
It does not have to do anything. Look at the ratio, man. My guess is that they're gonna keep this price elevated, go sideways, burn premiums, and then at the end of the day, they'll do a retrace to maybe 650, 560s.
You think I'll be profitable by then or no?
Probably not, because your contracts will be destroyed. What's your strike?
It's not same day. Doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if it's not same day.
What's your strike? 656?
656.
Next day?
Yeah.
656 next day. They're $1. What's your average?
151.
For you to be even right now, you need
$1.50 to go down on SPY for you to be break even as per your delta.
Damn, how'd you calculate that so quick?
You need price to go to 656.20 for you to be break even.
Yeah, it's $1.50.
Is that what it is? 656.20s. Yeah.
You gotta calculate the delta.
But that's right now, Albert. As time goes on and they decay, your break even's gonna keep slipping lower and lower.
Yeah. Who the fuck thought of this shit?
The people that design this game are the people that are trying to take our money from us. That's why the less time you can spend in a trade, the higher likely scenario you'll have more profit. That goes for over trading also. The less trades you take.
I one thing I learned from this just crossed 1,000. One thing I've learned from today's trade is that whole put to call ratio shit. That shit really taught me a lesson. Somebody gotta get muted.
Patel, you still have a TSLT or Tesla? Look how much short dated calls there are. Look at this. October, fucking $20 million almost. Wild.
Who is listening to a Hitler speech right now? What is that?
I have no idea.
I don't think it's Indian. It's not.
Oh, it's Choi Choi.
It's Choi Choi Indian.
Who's listening to a Hitler speech?
Straight the fuck up,
What it sounded like.
everybody.
Who's listening?
Because, you know, like I couldn't hear or understand words. It was just like, you know what I mean? But I couldn't hear it that good.
Ryan, I think out of the whole Discord, you're the only one that's green.
Why?
Is anybody else green?
Yeah, there's a bunch of people.
If we're not counting Top Step dollars, I'm green. I did just take a 2 weeks out, but the 657 next Friday.
Wild.
I just think we pull back tomorrow, if not end of day.
Oh, nice.
Dimitri, what's the Adam
We got-
Sandler movie with the guy that is putting on lipstick that wants to kill everybody?
Billy Madison.
Oh, that's what it is.
Oh, yeah.
Billy Madison.
Steve Buscemi.
That's what. That's what Choi Choi is probably yelling about.
It's my biggest fear of meeting anybody here, honestly. Or
I mean, anybody that blames someone else for their own fucking decisions is ridiculous. But it is kind of a crazy world. I do understand where you're coming from.
Especially what
I would never lose money and be like, it was fucking Ryan and Dimitri's fault. You know what I mean? Like, we know what we're doing here.
Oh, I've seen some things like, you remember in William's groups, Dimitri?
Yeah.
I've seen William blow people up in one trade, two trades, because he would be so convincing in his trades.
I've seen him lose $60,000 in the last half hour. Remember with his SPX trade?
Yeah.
He's a fucking crazy lunatic.
Yeah, but he used to be so convincing, and then he'd be like, if you're not in this, you're an asshole, or you're an idiot, and then he'll be like, I'm in full port, everything's in.
Yeah, and then he posted screenshots minus 63,000. I remember that day.
Yeah, that was the only problem with him, where he would be like so convicted into his
That's pretty irresponsible. Though.
I know somebody that yells puts Norville.
Well, the good thing about y'all is y'all are always going against each other, so it's just, you know, like nobody has to worry about being mad.
Because we're always opposite.
You should have listened to Dimitri. You should have listened to Ryan.
Yeah, pick your poison. I don't know. It's just different trading styles. I like these little cycles. That's it. You're in, you're out. You're in, you're out. Yeah, I know it doesn't sound like a lot when you're only trading with 10, 15 contracts, but get your position size up, and then you got nothing to worry about. Hit it with 100 contracts, and 10 cents, all you need.
I think it adds value that y'all are trading different cycles, honestly.
100%. I agree.
Especially when both of y'all make money doing it. You know, if Dimitri's playing macro and you're playing micro and y'all both make money the same day, like I think it opens people up to different possibilities.
There's a million different ways to make money in this market, you know? And obviously past options trading. There's so many ways to make money. You just have to figure out what the hell suits your account size and what works best. I just don't like the feeling of unknown possibilities of what the fuck could happen, you know? Not saying that every day the market closes there's a black swan event, but for me to swing something, I gotta be like either super freaking red on it and just holding hopes, or like the highest conviction of, okay, I know for a fact this is gonna go here, you know? I don't have that conviction that Dimitri has. He's good at macro chart reading. I'm not really good at it. I don't really pay attention to it. I wouldn't say I'm not good at it. I don't look that deep. I try to look at like maybe the last week. That's it.
Looks like we want to retrace these 3 power candles.
This is sloping support still. Right from 655 60s. QQQ stair stepping.
Down
No.
I don't see a higher high. It looks like a double top.
because I don't have the. I'm not on my computer. I'm on my phone. I'm looking at the stream. Can't.
Albert, do you have Trading View on your phone?
No, I don't.
If you set up Trading View on your phone, you could set up alerts to push alerts. So like if you wanted to be alerted, like a push notification when the price goes to a certain area.
Mm-hmm.
I don't trade Thinkorswim on my phone. I traded it on during the Apple event, but I was in a week out. I can't get in and out of positions fast on my phone.
I do swings on my phone, but I'm with you. I don't do any intraday.
I just did. There's so many steps
I know
that you
how
have
to
to go through, and then you have to look at the option. You can't even look at the chart while you're looking at on your phone.
Did this break that
I know
slogan?
how to do.
This is bouncing.
The last
here.
guy that I was trading with, he was mainly trading on the phone, and he would tell us to trade off the phone. That's,
I'm
He's a
guaranteeing.
bloody idiot.
I bet you he's not profitable.
He's a bloody moron.
Oh no, bro! Everybody that in that group that was in that group blew their accounts.
He's a fucking idiot, honestly. I have 5 monitors here.
No, of course, bro. I'm telling you, it's night and day. This guy was a fucking fraud, claiming that he knows this shit. Blah blah blah. I'm a master.
Was his name Steve?
No,
Was his name Mohammed?
his name was Dimitri. I mean, it was Dennis. I'll play.
Two of the biggest fucking scam artists I've ever met in my entire life have a Discord together.
Oh my gosh. No, his name was Dennis.
His name was Dennis.
Yeah.
I want to meet this Dennis guy.
Dennis Lord.
He's a barber, bro. He has a barber shop nearby.
Oh, nice.
So what? He's cutting hair and banging trades too?
Yeah, while he's fucking, bro. Yeah, he has an iPad over there that he looks at the chart. And he takes the trade off of his phones.
Yeah.
He basically tells us, okay, guys, get in over here. Let's go. Who's in?
Yeah.
And he's like fucking making sure people are getting in too. It's like there's no shame.
He's probably working with the market makers. Let's blow people up.
Bro, that's what I found out on that CoffeeZilla scam with that FX dude that has all the Lambos and shit. Like he has something in his like fine print that says he may be trading a simulated account. And then they found out that he like owned a foreign FX exchange that he was telling all the students to go to. It was like blowing up people's accounts, but he was getting paid for them entering the FX. You know what I mean? Brokerage.
Damn.
Yo, that's Steve's Discord profile picture, Norville.
Which one?
Look what I just posted. This guy's driving a Toyota Camry, but he put the Lamborghini badge on it.
Oh. Want to see
he-
mine?
Yeah, but he has. You ever see his Discord profile picture? It's a Huracan, a white Huracan. Elliot looks so happy. Look at him.
Oh, Elliot loves the car, buddy. Elliot, I want to go green car. Can you go fast? I want to go green car.
Albert, you ever meet Elliot?
No, I haven't met his kids actually.
He's a little G.
JM is asking, do we see the rejection candle at 833 with buying volume? Would you consider a trade there?
No, because this is bounce zone. This is the top of 1045. This is where we broke out, so we're validating this breakout zone. Same thing with QQQ. Look at QQQ's 1044 candle, the line, draw a line across. once they both QQQ and SPY get below it, then your price target's going to be POC 656.68, and then
Jay,
next
the
target
best
after
level
that,
is 656.20s. The SPY calls at 656.20s. That's the best level.
if they break this here, this would be a little momentum trade south, but every time we've had a breakdown, it's got bought up. So keep that in mind. Wind direction's north. So risk to reward, we're a little too close to the top for me to be interested in calls here, even though this is a bounce zone.
No, not yet. A little bit lower. 656.20s to 30s is a bounce zone, guys.
This is bounce zone right here. This is what we've been doing. We've been breaking out of these stair steps and then validating it. Look at 1056 candle.
Not yet. Let her flush. Keep flushing, baby.
Same type of structure.
Keep flushing.
Do you understand what I'm looking at, though, guys?
Yeah. Yeah, you're right. That pullback on the last mountaintop just immediately evaporated when it got back to the top. That's when it broke out.
I'll post a screenshot. So this was our first breakout. This was our second breakout. Every time we've been stair stepping, same thing on QQQ. They've been validating that area and then bouncing off of it. If they break it, then we're going to head back into this box. I'll draw you guys a nice little chart. This is the box.
Ryan, would you sell if you were me here or no?
I would sell a little bit lower at POC or BOS. I don't know if you're looking at my screen.
Hold on, Albert. I'm going to send you a picture.
A little bit lower.
657.
I'm going to shave massive amount myself right now, guys. I'm going to shave a lot right now. Give me a little.
Albert, look at this picture. First sell target is going to be POC, the line 656.60s. Second sell target is going to be the bottom of this box, this demand zone. Anything past that is a gift for you.
A little bit lower.
If they crack 656.20s, then I would say just stay in them because they're probably going to try to trap.
So sell half, right? You would say.
I would sell some right at POC. At POC. But also look at QQQ. QQQ's demand, 583.80s is demand on QQQ. If they take out 583.80s, I would stay in my puts.
There we go, baby. I just sold half. There we go. Fuck. I just made $25,000 off of the last 15 minutes.
Albert, look at QQQ's chart.
Shit, hold on a second. I gotta pull over. I'm fucking driving.
Pull over.
Yeah, I couldn't get the fuck. I can't fucking. I missed that trade to sell half.
I sold half. That was POC, Albert. That's why I sold half.
Said fuck. I mean,
look at QQQ's.
Are y'all tired of going up?
So look at QQQ's chart, Albert. Look at the two pictures I posted. If you see QQQ take out that demand zone, I would say stay in your puts. This is trim zone. Your risk right now is if we get back above 657. If they clear 657 again and close above 657, I'd say just get the fuck out because we're going to make a new high. As of right now, if QQQ takes out 583.80s, there's a good chance SPY is going to try to head back to the bottom of this demand zone at 656.30s. This is target number one where we're at right now, POC.
Should I sell it?
I'm still holding out. I'm still holding 60% of my thing. I just sold.
No, I didn't sell half of it yet.
How many contracts are you in?
It's really up to you.
20.
How much are you down? Are you already evaporated and you're not planning on adding?
Could add technically. 1 second.
Well, yeah, I wouldn't add here. I would say
I'm down 550 right now. My average is 151. It's 123 right now.
I would say just stop out of these if we clear 657. Until then, I would say hold them until they try to touch the bottom of this demand. 656.30s is going to be your savior.
MACD first time in bear territory, guys. First time today. First fucking time. Come on.
So if they clear out 657, get the fuck out of them. Until then, you might as well just you held them this long. You might as well just see how far they can go. I know it's not the greatest advice, but you didn't add at the top.
Mm-hmm.
So there's really no
I
point.
fucked myself.
This is bounce zone here. If they crack this, then we're gonna go to this previous demand at 656 20s 30s. QQQ is also sitting on demand. If they crack it, there's a good chance you'll probably get to break even. What was your contract average price? $1.50?
151.
You need
I averaged
656.20s.
114.
You need 656.20s to touch to be even. And that's pretty much lining up with demand. That's the bounce zone, number 2. So either take a $700 loss at 657 or try to hold it to break even. That's what I would say.
Oh, fuck. They're pumping this shit again.
You know how disgusting it is, Ryan? I'm green on this position, but I'm red like crazy on the day.
Oh, they did so much damage today. It's disgusting. But for Albert's situation, I would say if they get back above 657 and close above 657, that's the 50 on the 1 minute, and that was our previous breakout zone. I'd say just get the fuck out. You could probably try another short at 657.30s if they reject there, but I don't know, dude. It doesn't make sense for them to go down fast because of the amount of bears in the market right now. There's 3 million puts to 1.5 million calls, 1.6 million calls. If I saw that call side closer,
There it is.
this is where you stop.
Get the
if they
fuck
close.
out.
If they close above this, give 40 seconds.
I sent you a text, Ryan.
Is it PG? Oh my
It was
god.
PG.
Ooh, buddy. All right.
Get out or stay. What do you think?
We're holding below. I would say that's it, dude. That's your line in the sand. 657. Looks like we're going to close below it. QQQ's looking powerful, though.
About to add.
I would stop out. I would stop out and reposition yourself, Albert. Unless you want to add to this thing.
You wouldn't add?
I would add at 657.30s if we reject there. But I would double my position. You're already in 40 contracts. It's a little dangerous because the conditions, the wind
I'm in
directions.
20.
Oh,
I'm in 20.
put 20 more on at 657.30s.
Okay.
Let me try to figure
You
this
have
out.
to. The thing is that Albert, you didn't minus at the bottom at POC. That's why you can't just have an adding game. You have to add and decrease, add and decrease, add and decrease.
Yeah, bro, I missed it because I was fucking driving. I didn't get it. You know, on the phone, it's a bitch. There's so many steps to fucking.
Buddy. What a beautiful ad. Come on, let's just flush
Don't
it out.
jinx it yet. Don't jinx it yet because MACD's fucking curling back up.
Such a negative motherfucker.
I'm not. I'm being a realist. 657 was pretty crucial for us to stay below. As of now, we're still climbing, stair-stepping, sloping support. QQQ's at the floor right now. They need to reject here, QQQ.
Let's go, baby.
I wish today was Friday so I can order my fucking phone.
You gonna get the orange one?
Yeah, you know what, dude? I'm a psycho. I was doing I probably watched 100 videos on these things. The iPhone Air is kind of a gamble, in my opinion, because they put all the tech in this that little pill bar at the top where the camera is, and the rest of the phone is just the battery. Even though that they're saying that it's going to be all day battery life, you don't know, and I have a feeling that the battery is going to be absolute garbage.
And it's gonna overheat, and it's gonna bend, and it's gonna break.
Yeah. So the only reason why I don't like the Pro is because it's thicker than last year's phone. So I have the 15 Pro Max. the 16 Pro Max was thicker than the 15, and now the 17 is thicker than the 16 because of the size of the battery that they put in it. And I don't really like having a big brick in my pocket. So
It's absolutely zero improvement though on the phones. If my phone wasn't cracked, I would not upgrade myself.
the most appetizing phone this year is the base model 17, and the reason why is because it's getting the Pro chip, it's getting the 120 hertz display, and it's getting two 48 megapixel cameras, and it's the cheapest. It's $799. That's the best phone to get this year, honestly. Money wise.
Oh, it's complete garbage, their lineup. It's disgusting.
Well, dude, they put all the Pro features in the base model phone. The only thing that the base model phone doesn't have is the telephoto camera. Everything else, it's got the same storage capacity. I mean, nobody really needs the 2 terabyte fucking Pro Max. That thing's $2,000. It's a joke. You can get external storage for $100. I don't know. Every year, dude, they do this shit. They fucking hype it up like it's the next best thing, and the improvements are minimal. And they roll out these fucking software updates that just brick your current phones and make your new phones. Yeah, Samsung did troll the shit out of them. It was funny.
Oh, they're the best.
Like I'm on the I'm on the iOS 26 on the developer beta on my 15, and my phone the last couple of days has just been acting like garbage. It's been tweaking out, and I know they do that shit on purpose.
Is cloud conditions getting this little red tail? Is that good? Like, I don't know much about cloud conditions or how to read it.
Flat conditions, flat.
Flat.
They're bullish.
Let's see where it like green or red, but just barely.
What do you do?
I mean, since
swing?
11/17, now it's flat.
Albert, did you double?
Shit, no, not yet. Should I double now?
I mean, this is the previous floor. This is where they could reject, but everything's bullish, man. So I don't know. I would if I was in your situation, but your average price is so far away. That's the only problem. Like you're looking for a Hail Mary. If my target was POC, I would double here. If you want to sell at POC.
By 40, you're saying?
Is this sloping resistance?
No, I'm
hopefully?
saying just double your position. But risk to
Yeah,
reward
so that would be 40 contracts, no?
risk to
Or
reward.
just buy 20 contracts.
You would buy 20 if you're in 20. But if they flip this here, we're going to go double top. So you either wait for double top and add at all-time highs, and we can potentially break out, or you either add here and hope that they pull back, and if they continue north, you sell everything. QQQ's looking bullish. MACD's curling back up. Volume's coming back in bullish. And it's 12 o'clock. So my best guess is that we're going to cycle up here for another hour and not do anything and just burn premiums. I don't think they're going to continue north far, and I don't think they're going to go down south far. I think we're going to just cycle here for the next hour and just beat premiums up to the abyss. And then they'll probably take another leg up after lunch and then dump it. And both sides lose. Market makers have their margaritas and laugh.
Has anybody got the put to call close by? Is it still way out of whack? Or
Yeah, it's the call side's growing now, but
Double.
there's still a lot of puts. But call side is starting to grow. You do modem tests? Why would I want you out of a job? No, I don't. Actually, you know what? I do want you out of a job. I want you to be a full-time trader. You don't need to work for nobody.
Maybe he works for himself.
I want him to print money at the speed of light from his underwear in his office.
So if your possible analysis is valid, would you still double here? So at least
If I was in your position, Albert, I would wait for them to start pulling back, and I'd add 100 contracts and try to get out at POC. That's what I would.
100. Yeah, nah, I don't love.
That's what I would personally do, because your average is 50 cents away. That's the issue. Your break even is very far away. Your break even's below VWAP. And that's an unrealistic expectation because of the market conditions right now. The wind direction's north.
And we're not going that far. That's why we're not moving. We're not moving at all. All right, guys. I'm disgusted today. I'm down a lot of money. I don't know what to tell you.
Gonna just chill out here till we make this shit back, bro. What you think?
It's gonna take a long time to take it.
You need 656, 660s is first area. Well, actually, POC is the first area. What we have to get back through 657. 657 validates they're going to continue in this channel and stay up here. 657 breaks, then POC, then the bottom of the channel.
In a little range, but it looks like it's trying to reject off the floor.
I'd say they got room to double top 657 60s.
Or do I just sell on a red day and keep it red? What do I do? So fucking thinking. I got shit to do.
The problem, Albert, is even though you're in a next day contract, you cannot hold this far. So when we started, for example, I don't know when you got in this trade, but I'm guessing it was like around 10 o'clock. Once we rejected 656.20s, and then we made this cup and we broke out through 656.20s, that was your area to get the fuck out. And if you decided to hold through that, our pullback to 656.20s at 1056 was validation that we're staying above our breakout area. We validated our breakout area as demand. That was your second confirmation to get the fuck out. So to just continue to hold and not add, your average price is so far away. If you're not planning on adding, you can't just hold it and hope that market conditions are going to change and it's going to pull back. So you need to put on, for you to get out of this thing, you need to wait for a bearish cycle, and you'd have to put on size to just lighten the blow, because I don't think we're going to go to VWAP, at least not during lunchtime. Lunchtime, they're going to keep the price elevated and burn everybody, and then we'll probably take a leg up to really smoke everybody, and then that's when they rug it back down, or vice versa. They pull it down first, and then they're going to shoot it back up to our chop zone up here. Until I see the put to call ratio even out, I'd say we're going to keep the price elevated today. There's no reason for them to pull it back. There's too many bears in the market. I'd say, dude, you do a lot better with the 0 days and just quick scalps in and out. You've been crushing it that way. I'd say stick to that for now. Don't look for these macro plays.
Yeah. I mean, I just picked a very bad day to try it. You know what I mean? Today's terrible the way the market is moving, and especially, I mean, if you're on,
it's not only that, dude. You don't want to be. You got other shit to do today. You know what I mean? You don't want to be sitting in a trade waiting for this thing to play out. And now your focus is going to be.
Now I feel like I'm a degen. Yeah. I have somebody to train right now, and I don't give a flying fuck about that at the moment.
That's right. You're still a business owner. You could tell him to wait.
Yeah. No. He's gonna be all right.
Can I get a job, Albert?
I'm sorry, we can't afford you.
IWM and Qs looks like they want a triple top.
Yeah.
This is ridiculous.
Dude, it's the fucking ratio, man. There's still bears coming in, which is
This is ridiculous.
blows my mind that there's still bears coming into this market.
Gas station up in here.
I wouldn't even add to this at this point, dude. Honestly, because if they punch it out, they're gonna continue. They're doing what they've been doing all day. They're consolidating, they're pulling back, making a cup, and then they're breaking out. Consolidating, pulling back, making a cup, and then they're gonna break out. So 658.20 is, I would say, is probably price target if they punch through. MACD's curling back up. Volumes here. QQQ's gassing up. What's IWM doing? IWM's triple top also.
How far out of the money do you need to be before it makes more sense to just sell and then buy a new position versus adding? Because at a certain point, doesn't adding, you wouldn't make as much on a pullback or whatever because of the theta difference on those two different contracts?
Correct. Like for me, dude, I don't really like touching anything under 70 cents. If I see a same day go under 70 cents and I'm adding to it at like 70 cents, then it's that thing gets clapped pretty quick because you're pretty far out the money. It has a lot to do with your IV too. If they start crushing IV fast, like let me look at this. IV still pretty high.
If I was at a 653 put right now, let's say, it would be smarter to sell that put
It's
and
worthless.
then jump into a 657 put and take that down and trust that would make my money back quicker than dumping on my 653.
653 puts 13 cents right now.
So 70 cents is kind of your limit, where even if it's a at the money 65 cent contract, you're going to go in the money by some money just to have a $1.10 contract versus a 65 cent contract.
If I was completely crushed and I was sitting in a 13-cent contract, wherever we were on the chart, I would just look to buy at the money if I wanted to reposition myself.
But like if you're taking a like let's say you're not in a trade and the at the money that's like 50 cents out of the money, maybe it's later in the day, and that contract's 50 cents, would you go in the money and buy a $1.50 contract just so it's not below that 70 cents? Or is that only when you're adding, I guess is what I'm asking.
I wouldn't buy. It's very rare for you to see an at the money contract that cheap. At the money is usually $1, somewhere in that range. On like a normal day, you're figured probably 90 cents to $1 is what you're going to spend for at the money. I wouldn't buy that cheap. Like for example, we could do the math on this. So a 653 put same day. Let's say you bought this at 9:45 today before we broke out. Okay, 9:45. That contract was 7.69 cents. For you to get your money back, let's take a look. For you to get your money back, you would be, let me look at the chart. You would need this to go to 651.
Sheesh.
Look at how far.
Well, the reason I ask is I bought like a 78-cent contract before and then got down to like 50 cents. And then I doubled. But then the moment it goes from 50 cents to 45 cents, like that's 10% right there. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And I feel like once it went from 78 cents to 50 cents, it would have been smarter for me to just take the loss and then jump back in a $1.10 contract or something. But that's why I wasn't sure.
Yeah. So basically what I'm trying to say is if you bought this crappy 653 put and you didn't add to it and you have a 70 cent average and it's at 13 cents, you would need a 60 cent move for you to capture that 60 cent move on a 653 put that's that far out of the money. You need price to go from 657.80s to 651 on the chart. Okay, if you went at the money 658 put right now is at the money is 95 cents. For you to go to like $1.50, let's say, you only need this to go to $1.50 would be 656.60s.
Gotcha.
So to capture that same 60-cent move to get your money back, you're talking from 657.60s to where we are now, $1 south versus $6 south because of the contract so decayed.
Yeah, that makes sense.
So even if you added, dude, you're talking, you would have to add, it wouldn't be a double. You would have to add, you know, if you started with 100 contracts, I don't know why you would hold that long anyways. If we're just talking hypothetical, say you started with 100 contracts and you had a 60-cent average and you're at 13 cents now, so you're down $5,000 on it. You would have to add probably 300 or 400 contracts into this 13-cent position just to give you enough price improvement to try to get out break even. Like you would still need it to crack VWAP. It's the problem with those contracts. Once they get beat down so much, dude, it's just you just dump them and start a new position. Does that make sense?
Yeah. I mean, because I understand what theta accomplishes, but I don't really understand how to read the theta numbers to really know.
The way I
that much
read it,
about it, you know what I mean?
the way I read it is I'll pull up a strike on my chart. I'll pull up an option on my chart, and I'll go onto the super dom and click on the super dom and look at it that way. Because you could pull up the chart of the option on Thinkorswim.
Mhm.
Did you know you could do that?
I think so. So
like you can copy like the code of the option and then paste it into your chart, and it will show you the option as a chart.
will it show you all the? Is it like the options ladder that shows you all the different strike prices? Is that what you're saying, or you're saying for one strike price?
So for
Would it just show me 658, or would it show me 658, 659, 660?
No, so you could pull up a specific option and look at the specific chart of that option. If that makes sense.
Oh yeah, I think I did know that. Yeah, it shows where it was like 30 minutes ago. It shows the history for that option, right?
Yeah, and then on the super dom, if you mess around with the super dom, you can, if you go to the buy side and you're not in anything, you can look and see where price would be. Like if you click like limit. So here, I'll fucking record this. I'll show you. So like for Albert's case, right? Like that's how I was able to figure out exactly where Albert needed to go. So Albert, what were you in, a 656 put?
Yeah,
You're in 656 or 657?
656.
So Albert's in a 656 next day put. What was your average?
151.
So here you go. That's funny, Dimitri.
That's exactly me right now.
Awesome.
Oh God.
So let's look. So Albert's in a 656 put. His average is 151. So I would come over here on the super dom, and I would go to 151, and I'd set my, just make sure my quantity's on 1 just in case it fills by accident. But I would set my super dom over here and click 151, and it shows me on the chart where price would need to go for him to be break even. So 656.12 right now for him to get break even. That's how I try to calculate. Does this make sense?
Did you post that video?
No, it's saying fucking file size is too big. Jesus.
I could look at your screen if that makes it easier. Oh, you're doing YouTube though, aren't you?
Yeah.
I'll play with that. I forgot about it, but I have seen. I think you showed me that when you helped me set up my Thinkorswim. I've definitely seen where you can look at like the history of the option strike, and it shows you on a chart when it was up and down and everything else.
Yeah, but I use the super dom. So
I don't know if I've used that before.
Instead of the tab active trader,
It's
just put the
56,
tab
but
chart. And when you click the chart instead of
his
the active
average is
trader on your
151, so I would
contract,
come over here on the super
it gives you the contract chart. If that makes sense. You see on the right side it says active trader.
See, I don't
And do
want
you
to pull up my Thinkorswim because I'm such a degen. So maybe I'm going to come back to this
Oh, okay.
tomorrow when I've got it up.
quantities on one just in
Because I
case.
hear you. I think I know how to do it. I just
Yeah, it's very simple. Just click chart instead of the active trader.
Yeah, I go to
So
charts
you're
on the chart tab. What I typically keep is or maybe it's flexible grid, but I keep a weekly, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour on SPY. So if I want to see macro real quick, I just click on that. But yeah, I'll play around with it.
Let me see if this works. File size is too big. Jesus. Let me upload it on YouTube. One second. It's going to take me a second. Upload video.
Got a triple top on Qs, man. You'd think if it touches the same fucking spot a fourth time, it's going to reject, right?
I don't even know what to think anymore.
Yeah, is that too obvious? What year is it?
I don't know if I should add right here, honestly, to average down and then just fucking.
I'm literally on Indeed.com right now looking for jobs.
Oh,
You're
my
not.
God.
Get out of here.
Here, MBZ. This.
Holy
this
shit!
is
My
the
Discord membership just went to $1,000 a month.
10,000 a month.
Oh, buddy, we don't make any money on that. Our account is negative.
In case it fills by accident, but I would set my shitty quality, but super dom over here and click 151, and it shows me on the chart where price would
Dimitri,
for him to be.
should I add?
So 650, 612 right now.
I think you should do whatever you want to do, buddy. You don't even know. Do you want to know how much I'm down right now? And you're asking me, should I add?
That's how I try to calculate.
You could recuperate, bro.
Look, Albert. Look.
Whoa!
Look. You're asking me if I should add. I don't even know where the fuck to sit.
Albert's down.
Holy shit!
Albert's down the comma. Albert's down the 575.
No, I'm not. I'm down double that.
Oh, I see. So
My
instead
legs-
of clicking the bid, instead of clicking
My
the
legs
bid
are
ask
numb.
category, you're clicking that other column.
Yeah,
What does
but
that say?
just make sure you have your quantity on one. If you're trying to do it close, there's a good chance it could fill you too. So if you're
So
hunting
move the bottom
for
to one so it doesn't.
well, if it fills you, it just fills you on one contract, and you could just sell it. But if you're hunting for like a price, like what it would look like on a chart or where you would need it to go, that's kind of how I calculate it. I don't do the math with the theta, but this changes over time too as the day goes on, so you constantly have to keep checking.
Gotcha, that makes sense.
I mean, if you're in the position where you're looking to see where the fuck your contract would be break even, you probably shouldn't be in that trade.
But that's a good tool, like, because right now, if you wanted to see, like, okay, if it pulls back to the previous floor, you know what I mean? What will my contract be like? That would be helpful to know if I would want to get out or double or,
Yeah.
you know what I mean? Fucking quadruple top zone. It's not quite a quadruple
Super dom
top.
over
like
here
yours
and
is
click
technically
151,
a lower low.
and it shows me.
Lower high.
Just make sure my quantity's on one, just in case it fills by accident. But
What's the ratio looking
set
like?
The ratio is ass ended to you.
Call side's still growing. It's just not. It's not even. The ratio is ass to handed.
Oh god. Right, what do I do in this situation? Like, do I just start hitting SPX?
No, because market's moving too slow. There's
I
no
don't
money
even know
here.
how to recover, honestly. Like exactly. I don't even know how to recover. The market's moving so slow. I can't even scalp in these conditions.
No.
So could Dimitri, like hypothetically with what you just showed me, could he go see what it's going to be tomorrow? Even though I know you
No,
can only
'cause-
predict probably the theta so much, but
No, because you
Oh, I'm
can't.
gonna get completely obliterated
You
with
can't
data.
You can't calculate what the fuck's gonna happen overnight with the VIX either.
gotcha. So it only really works for same day.
I have a feeling that VIX is gonna close below last week's low level.
Below 14? Oh my god, I hope not. That means that tomorrow's trading day is gonna be 5-cent candles at the top of all-time high.
This is definitely possible. This is ridiculous. Market invalidated all the divergences on the higher time frames. We're gonna be like this for the next 2 to 3 weeks now.
I'll be right back. I go to the bathroom.
Yes.
You want to make another high? This is just hilarious.
Three or four rejections on this range, man. But yeah, it could be a bull flag. Yeah, I'm not trying to go. What was Max Payne today?
All right, I'm back. Max Payne was
60, I
650.
650. Max Payne has been like way lower than price the last few days.
Oh, jeez, this does not look good. Looks like they're gonna punch it out again. Are you just watching news? Oh,
What
that's not.
pisses me off, Ryan?
not-
Everything I've done in the last 4 days is all wiped out. We dumped to 600.
I don't think you're understanding what I'm saying.
This could have saved you a lot of money.
Yep, I'm feeling the decay now.
Yeah, they're at what, 97 cents, 98 cents. Yeah. Oh wow, we gap down. Gap down on the 1 minute, guys. They're in a rush. They're in a rush to do something. Gap down on the 1 minute. But always 1 minute gap downs, retrace.
All right, let's go VWAP.
I wouldn't be excited unless they crack 657. Let them take out 657.
One minute gap down. Is it gonna fill? Yeah, it's gonna fill. You know what? I'm gonna do something crazy. I like this gap down, guys. I just added to my puts. They're in a rush. They're in a rush to sell. I just added.
That's it. When Dimitri talks like this, he riles himself up. I love it.
In a rush. No, Albert. There's a 1 minute gap down. That's why we haven't seen those in a while. Unless they fill it right now, and then I'll be completely smoked again. Why did they gap it down like that at the top? And they're gonna fill it.
Nope, they're in a rush. They're in a fucking rush. Let's go.
Dimitri, this is you trying to sneak past the market makers today.
Come on. Come on. Why did we gap down like that?
I'm dead. That's hilarious.
Get it done.
It's also lunchtime. They don't need to do anything yet.
It's chop, chop, chop time.
Oh, dude, the chop is on full blast. My broker's off. I can't see the put to call ratio, so. But last time I looked, call side was growing.
Gap did not fill. 1 minute, guys. Gap did not fill.
Shh. There we go. There we go. Yes, come on. Please. Come in with power.
You are so far. What are you chanting for?
I don't give a fuck, bro. It's going towards my way. That's all I care about. What the fuck, bro? You basically made money on this because you added over there, no?
Barely, buddy. Barely. 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 You don't understand how much I'm down. I don't know if you saw how much I'm down.
I saw, bro. I saw.
Disgusting how much I'm down.
Definitely disgusting, bro. And I've seen some nasty shit.
Come on.
Rubber band, please.
I mean, the fact that they gap down on the 1 minute time frame, it's eventually gonna fill, guys. It fills usually in 72 hours, but that means they're in a rush. How I think.
I think you're getting overly excited over one little red candle.
No, but
He's trying to.
look at the closing price of 12.23, and look at the opening price of 12.24, and never filled.
No,
You
I
see that,
understand
Ryan?
that. I'm looking at 657. For bears to step on the gas, they gotta stay below 657.
Oh, I want in the 640s at this point.
I'll also take 640s.
Oh yeah, finally bearish volume coming in, would squeeze. Bearish volume coming in, would squeeze. We're gonna break POC.
What does that mean? What does with squeeze mean?
The other
they're-
indicator.
They're about to squeeze, baby.
I mean, this range, there could be a fuck ton of bulls that bought at the top.
Correct. That's what they want to do.
With these ranges.
They wanted to suck these fuckers in. I don't know why. Honestly. Let's go, baby. POC is breaking. I gotta take my hat off.
This is demand on QQQ.
IWM with the quadruple top.
Oh God, there's no continuation.
657.30 is demand, and then
I should
657.
have sold. I should have sold. POC.
Yo, I think I should. Honestly, I think I need to double, bro.
Like it's trying to reject POC.
Ryan, what are you eating?
Goldfish.
Over.
I'm eating goldfish.
Check.
Bro,
Check,
there's zero nutrition in that shit, bro. That's bioengineered food. What the fuck are you doing to yourself?
Watching you lose fucking money, and I'm hungry.
I just made 6,000 back, by the way.
Just take some Fritos myself.
Only 6,000. Only 60,000 to go.
I gotta take this hat off. I gotta take this hat off. One more tick. I'm out. Fuck that. I took my hat off.
You're all out?
No, I took my hat off.
You know what I don't like? There's no volume on this pullback. I agree with you, Swing.
It is a fake drop, but actually it might not be because we gapped down on intraday.
657 is going to be make or break, in my opinion.
Damn
If
it.
they can get back below 657, QQQ sitting on demand. QQQ's got to punch through this right here.
Oh, baby, let's go. Keep dumping. I hope you guys saw what happened at 12:23 and 12:24, guys. Once they gapped down, that was the indication to fucking hammer it.
Yeah, but they were doing that. They were doing that yesterday too.
Not with gap downs. They gapped down.
No, they were doing that yesterday too. They were gapping. They were doing intraday gap up candles. Look what happened yesterday. We're sitting on demand here. QQQ also strong demand here. And then below this, 657. We're in the same cycle that we started at 11 o'clock. If you look at the cycle that we've been in, besides this little pullback, we're in the same exact channel that we've been in since 11 o'clock. And this channel is from 657.30s to 657.70s. Everybody see that? This channel?
You're talking about the channel from
like this red box that I just posted. This is This is
I was
supplying.
supposed to say hit the bottom of the earlier channel before that small one formed.
Like for scalping, this is the best area to go long at the bottom of this box. And if they break through it, then you sell.
Oh, if they break this, it's party time, guys. You guys see what I see with the channel? This is a channel on the 1 minute time frame.
My God.
If they break this, guys, it's party time. I don't know if you guys see my screen, but look at the channel, guys.
Let me see.
They gotta break this fucker. Right at it, guys. If this breaks, guys, it's party time. But break of structure is right below us.
657.
I think we
You're
missed the party.
sloping support, dotted lines that we're talking about, Dimitri.
Yeah, this is fucking sloping support from the CPI candle all the way.
657 is still strong demand also.
Major sloping support here.
It looks like they're trying to push through the bottom.
Big red candle is gonna come right now, guys. Big red candle, I feel like, and then they're gonna fake out.
Big motherfucker. Let's go.
He sounded Jamaican.
Yeah, that's my alter ego at times.
You motherfucker. What is this shit? I can't play this.
I can't get jiggy with this, man.
I can't get jiggy with this madness. Oh, you know the movie.
I can't get jiggy with this shit. Who's your
I
damn
don't know.
manager, that pink motherfucker? That's the way he says it. Michael
My
Blackson. you mean?
favorite part's when they're smoking in the back and they got that shot vac. He's like, "Hey man, you gonna suck my motherfucking lip up?" You remember when he started
You
like,
gonna suck my motherfucking yeah. I love that part. No, but the part that is after that is the best part. When fucking Pinky.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
No. When Pinky gets fucking what was his name? Craig, which is Ice Cube. Yeah. Don't say a word.
Yeah.
Say, yo, he keeps asking him questions and then he keeps telling him to shut the fuck up.
Yeah.
That was the worst.
Yeah, that's much.
Now you
Actually,
ain't
I
got
like
no
that.
gun.
That's one of the movies that I
What's
liked
up?
way better, like the third time, because like at first, the first time I watched it, I wanted it to be the original Friday with Chris Tucker, and so I wasn't feeling it a lot. But then when I watched it like a second and third time, I was like, this movie's hilarious as fuck.
This movie is my favorite out of all. Yeah.
In my opinion, I think that Next Friday was the funniest. The second one was the funniest.
Correct. Yeah.
100%. I don't care what anybody says. I know that movie front and back, line by line, bro. I watched that movie thousands of times, bro. Probably my favorite
It's hard
black comedy.
to rank the second and the first one though, because the first one was it was very different. Tucker and Epps are very different styles of humor. You know what I mean? But it was so fucking classic. Like I probably watched the first Friday.
No, of course. Of course.
Plus all the other
first Friday
characters.
was still hilarious. You know what's my favorite part in Friday? He goes, remember whenever that guy, what was his name? I forgot. But he goes like, yo, Pops is tripping, man. He want me to ask for my bike back. You know I wouldn't trip.
I'm just gonna tuck my shit in.
I was like, what bike?
Major demand here on QQQ. If they break this, they're gonna flush. Major demand.
We were trying to get over, Ryan. We were trying to get over the pain and agony we're going through right now with a little, little funny comedy moment.
It's going in your direction. It's just QQQ's on major demand. They're gonna bounce here.
We broke macro sloping support all day, and then they faked out. This is exactly what I knew they would do. These fuckers.
Yeah, that's it. Fuckers. Watch them go back up right now.
Let's see.
I gotta order a fucking monitor. Shit, I forgot to do that.
This looks like sloping support where it just bounced.
They broke it, they closed below it, and it bounced.
They keep doing that shit.
Oh, I'm just looking at like intraday. Those last few lows all look like they've got a sloping support too. Yeah, man, let's see that late day drama.
That's why I don't want to give up on this. I feel like there's going to be some drama that's going to get me in the fucking green out of nowhere, no?
It's not going to happen. The VIX is way too crushed. We don't get volatility to the downside when the VIX is crushed like that.
Joey.
When the VIX is under $15, it's smooth sailing to the upwise. Up. Market has no problems, nothing. We're just going up.
But can that shit spike out of nowhere?
How much of the VIX is like structure, and how much of the VIX is just responding to market sentiment?
I mean, SPY made a higher high. VIX never made a lower low. That's what's interesting.
Should have
It's a
added them if you
divergence.
opened it up and added.
The only divergence I see. Look at the IWM. It's up like a 1.5%, a percentage and a half. That's wild.
But look at the charts, dude. It's hitting a fifth spot. It's like a fifth top right now without doing higher highs.
They're just burning. Eventually, they're gonna go down. They're gonna go to the VWAP area, but I think they're gonna do it at 3 o'clock. Everybody needs to burn, burn, burn. I mean, you never know. They might do it now. Beautiful.
Is VIX still grinding up?
No, VIX is the same. It's been fucking barcoding for the last hour and since 9 o'clock. It's the same position.
Yeah.
It's almost got like a pennant.
Oh, buddy, Patel, if we get a dump, that'll be great. I don't want to speculate, Patel, because there's no divergences. There's nothing. Even the daily time frame is invalidating the divergence. I'm looking at the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour invalidated, 30-minute invalidated, 15-minute invalidated. Everything. Oh, Robinhood.
No, Restoration Hardware. Robinhood is Hood.
Oh, I have no idea.
Hood.
Let me see. Restoration Hardware. What the fuck is that? RH.
Of course, there's no fucking parking.
You just got to your job? Damn, dude.
No, I didn't. I got breakfast and shit. And I was like, I stopped like a few times.
That's $1,000 bacon, egg, and cheese right there.
It's at
Shit,
strong
I know.
demand, though, Patel. It's strong.
Currently down
demand.
710.
It's a huge
657s,
demand. Wow, look at this.
657s need to break.
Look at this. This level is like POC every single day. This level is POC, POC, POC. 228 is huge demand. Why do you feel like it's gonna dump? Oh, this is huge demand.
What is it? RH?
Short trend line.
RH.
I see what you mean. I see what you mean. Yeah. This is, oh, wow. All right, at sloping support.
VIX just gapped up a little bit on the 1 minute.
Oh, wow. I'm
That's-
green on my SPY. Let's go. I didn't even notice.
What you mean you're green?
I'm green on my head.
It's leaking out of that channel, and Q's is about to pass that previous pullback.
Let me
Goes
see
just
the
a little bit
fundamentals
lower.
of this company. What does this company do?
I think they restore hardware.
I was waiting for somebody to say it.
Market cap. Oh, this company is garbage. This company is negative. It's horrible. Horrible company.
QQQ's
Look at that.
bouncing.
Look at the way. Fucking name.
They're about to go bankrupt. Look at their net income. They have zero money left. Today's earnings?
Yeah. After
Oh,
hours.
yeah. It's a good short. This is a great short then, yeah, Patel. This is a great short. Wow, if earnings comes, Patel,
220.
I see this going to 168.
No. 220.
Yeah, I see it going to 168, Patel. If this sloping support breaks, it has nothing. It's 180. 180 to 168. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Oh my god. This is a great earnings play, actually.
Dude, look at the
The company
4 hour,
is
how
horrible.
strong it looks in the daily since May.
This is a good short, Patel. This is a good short. This stock. Your financial fundamentals are horrible. Yo, SPY. Damn it, now I'm not green anymore.
You remember an hour ago when I said they're going to just burn sideways up here for an hour?
Yeah.
And then they're going to take a leg up and really rinse all the bears out, and that's when they pull it back. That's still my
They gotta
thesis.
go hit the stop losses.
Still my thesis. They're going to take another leg up, fresh high, and then rug it back.
It's up 78%, 0.78%. $5.
My put premiums are actually going higher right now.
Really?
What's that mean?
My puts are actually going up right now, Ryan. They're actually moving up right now.
Is that just because the VIX is rising?
Yeah,
The
I think
last
so.
15 minutes?
Yeah. Vicky, don't fuck me, please. Go up now. I need you
It's
on
at
top.
It's at $1.13, Albert. You might survive, but I wish you would have added, man. Why did you hesitate?
I know. I wanted.
Unfortunately, I'm not a financial advisor to guide you through this. I can guide you through eye exams, though, if you want. Or a transplant, if you want, but no.
I don't need your fucking guidance on that one. I'm paying for this specifically.
I can guide you with the eyes. I can guide you with a lot. And I'm a professional.
Getting into the office, I should have brought my AirPods.
Everybody in this Discord buys one pair of Ray-Bans. We can get Albert out of this.
I just sold my ad. Fuck this.
Why? It's finally looking bearish. You have sloping resistance.
Because I know I still have a bulk of my position. I just keep adding and subtracting, adding and subtracting. Buddy, I gotta be green today, man. This is disgusting. I'm 12:47. I'm still sitting on my ass. My ass is sweaty at this point. Disgusting.
Dude, do you think you can call TD Bank today and ask them to give us back like the $500 of overdraft fees?
I have no idea. No idea. Another day in the Bronx.
I gotta go there and see my supervisor friend.
Yeah, could you tell him our account's back in the green, but we have like $400 of overdraft fees?
I gotta tell him this. Ryan, what are you doing right now?
Oh, I'm just sitting here.
Oh, buddy, we're getting volume, guys. We're getting volume.
I want to see them crack 657.
Oh, actually, here. Oh, $3 if you want.
I'm very convinced if SPY cracks 657 and QQQ takes out 583.80s, we will have a VWAP slice on QQQ. SPY's target's probably going to be the 200. 650, 650, somewhere in there. Like a 50-cent drop.
Lunchtime is over. Lunchtime is over. We're getting volume. And the volume is to the north side.
Well, let them go fucking stop all the bears out. They're gonna spook all the bears out, and then they're gonna come back down.
I mean, technically on SPY, that's a lower high, right? So it should do a lower low.
This is sloping resistance right here.
No, structure is still bullish.
This is sloping resistance. Micro.
It's bullish until it breaks, what, 656, 65? Is that right?
Yeah. Bottom of 1148. What was that? 1147.
Let's go, baby. Let's fucking go.
$657, dude. They'll step on the gas if they crack it, in my opinion. Anybody have the ratio right now? Is it starting to even out?
No, it's far from that. 3.5 million versus 2 million. There's 1.5 million more call puts.
Yuck.
The best place to exit everything, guys, is break of structure. 656.60s.
I'm still at a loss at that time.
Fine. Take a loss.
That's all right. You'll be like only a couple $100 red if they do it.
I'm going to take out 75% of my position.
I want to wait for you guys to flip green, but I need to go pack
When are you flying?
tomorrow.
Oh, nice.
I'll be on
That's
in the
exciting.
morning though, because the flight's not until like 12. So I'll
Who's
be
taking
on.
you guys to the airport?
We're gonna just leave the car there for the week.
At the airport?
Yeah,
How does that work?
they have these things that they're called parking lots.
No, like how
And
does
you-
that work with the rates, you fucking asshole?
Oh, it's like $8 or $10 a day.
Oh, okay. That's what
Yeah.
I meant, you dumb fuck.
It's not like freaking JFK where they bend you over backwards.
That's what I mean. Yeah, JFK, they bend you over.
I remember
like
I
crazy.
left my car in JFK for a week or two when I went to Hawaii, and
Oh, wow, we gap down again, guys. Another
it was
gap
like
down.
it was like $20 or $30 a day.
Another intraday gap, guys. They're in a rush. Another intraday gap, guys. Another intraday gap. Let's fucking go.
Let's go. Okay. I need to know right now, somebody guide. Should I sell half or all?
Another
Fuse broke
intraday
structure, they're
gap.
headed to view up.
Ryan,
Huh?
you don't even want to know how much I'm up right now. How much I'm down right now. I just recovered like crazy. And I took some off.
I'm selling half. Screw it.
Took some off.
So what time you're here until? The daughter has an appointment at 2.
So 5, why? So
So she's coming in today.
Okay.
This is great. This is
It'll be
great.
Albert, where are you at?
This is great.
I just sold half at a loss.
Yeah, but where are you at? How much are you down?
Can't tell how to read this correctly. It's 385 on the right side, PNL day, and then
What's
195 for PNL.
What's P&L day?
Profit and loss for the day. Come on, something doesn't make sense. Yeah. So it keeps going up and down because I'm half out of my position.
Yeah, P&L open is your current position. P&L day is your day.
I just added. I know they want a touch break of structure, so my add is lower than my sell right now.
QQQ has room to view up.
Exactly. QQQ also, yeah.
They got to stay below the 657 floor though.
Oh, come on. All right, gap filled. This intraday gap is gone.
Should I smack it again?
No, it's very dangerous to do that because structure is still bullish. Nah, they might go to POC. Holy shit, I'm getting steamrolled again. They can go to POC, guys. Or the 50 on the 1 minute.
I don't know, bro. I want to double here, honestly.
I mean, if you sold, you could double here. It would be a lot less of an average cost for you.
I would wait a little bit higher for sloping resistance.
I would wait for 657.21.
Yep, sloping resistance. A little bit higher. Albert, you see your risk to reward though? Like you didn't double when we were cycling up at 657.60s, but you want to double all the way down here at previous demand at 657. It's very dangerous. Because
What do you mean I wanted to double, but you said screw it.
I said to add 100 contracts. Because your average is so...
I wasn't going to add 100 contracts.
I know, but I'm just saying because your average is so far away, for you to double here, your risk to reward is dangerous because we're sitting on a previous demand. So if they bounce it back up into this channel, POC 650, 750s, you'll be at the same loss that you were if you add back in here. If they go back up. That's all I'm saying. So you waited 2 hours for them to pull it back, and then for you to add back in at demand is silly. Oh, Patel, you're killing it, man.
This is resistance. This is resistance. There you go.
Through.
I just added again. This is resistance.
They're poking through. QQQ's got power.
Motherfucker. This is resistance, though, guys. I literally just added here.
584.20s flips on Qs. I'd say get the fuck out.
This is resistance.
We got continuous squeeze, bearish squeeze now.
Oh, yeah. Let's go. Let's dump now, baby. Oh, I don't even want to log into my Charles Schwab app to see how much commissions I'm paying today.
What are you at for the year? Are you over 50?
For the year? I'm at 6 figures for the year. What are you talking about?
Holy shit.
I paid him so much commissions. I have like $2,000 a day, buddy. Like $1,700 a day in my average commissions.
Holy shit. I had a heavy day yesterday.
Yeah, buddy, I'm looking at my P&L on TOS. It's like 20,000, and Charles Schwab, it's like 17,500. I'm like, what the fuck?
Yeah.
Wild.
QQQ's trying to flip supply. Be careful. If they flip this out of here, they're gonna cycle it back up to POC 657, 60s.
There's resistance.
Bond auction in 2 minutes.
Oh fuck, you're right. Might have a little.
What color's that folder?
It's yellow. Is it the
usually
30
has a-
year or the 10 year?
I don't know. Ryan G just posted that.
Oh, it's the
30,
30 year.
Are we really gonna sit here all day?
Out the money SPX is lotto, Jay. They work, but they're lottos. They'll decay very fast.
Oh, SPX in low IV environment is dangerous.
I don't trust this supply here.
You think it still goes north?
If they flip 650, 730, yeah, they're going to have a big, powerful candle up. Same thing with QQQ, 584.20s. If they poke through that.
It's that 101 or
Here's
1
structure though.
What'd you say, 101? What?
Is it 1 o'clock or 1:01 the bond auction?
Uh,
We just rejected off of supply, guys. This is supply. Let's fucking go. Supply
1
is
minute
rejecting.
and 20 seconds.
This is beautiful supply rejection, guys. Let's hit the break of structure area. I'm gonna.
How much do you need to be green?
28,425.
It just sucks that the market's not moving. It's only shitty.
Oh,
there.
I recovered so much though, but I was sizing like a madman. I recovered very well. Let's fucking go, baby.
1 more minute, data comes out. 40
Let's
seconds.
go, baby. Oh, buddy, I'm selling everything at break of structure, guys. Everything is gone.
If they break structure,
buddy.
though, dude, they're gonna fucking royal flush.
I don't care. I don't care. You don't understand how.
650, 620s would be price target.
Oh, buddy. I gotta take some off here. I just took some off here. Holding.
Give me a minute.
Let's see. Come on.
10 seconds. Three, two, one.
Break of structure. No, nothing. No reaction at all.
Motherfuckers.
Takes a second. Still says pending.
Need a punching bag.
Pending. Still says pending.
Just trying to push up POC.
I need a cigar after this day.
I need a fucking blunt and everything else after that.
Still says pending.
Can you imagine nobody buys it? Country is in bankruptcy.
Nobody buys it, we'll fucking buy it. And print.
Still pending. That's interesting. What time is it? 1:02 now.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, let's go, please. Please.
Go,
Come
Joyce.
on.
No, nothing.
Blood.
If we pop to
Interesting.
supply, I'm gonna add. If we go to break of structure, I'm gonna take everything out.
I've never seen this data pen this long. Still pending.
There's no buyers.
I mean, nobody's buying it.
Yeah.
Hit up Steven. Yo, hit up Steve. He'll buy everything.
There we go. 46524. Is price moving now?
Not really.
Nope.
Yep. Moving to the upside, all right. Look at the ticks, guys. Ticks is positive 500 and price is not going up. Wow. Ticks is going up, 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 up.
IWM's breaking out of its range. I think the ticks is falling on IWM.
Ticks is up like crazy. I want to add here.
I wonder if people don't want to buy it because they know that there's a rate cut coming.
I just added. I'm adding because of the ticks, guys. Ticks keeps going up and price is not going up. This is a huge divergence from the ticks. Once ticks flushes, guys, we're gonna royal flush.
Wow, there's a lot of calls coming in. Woo! Let's take a look at
Look
this
at the
one.
ticks, Brian. Look at the ticks. Look at
Come on,
this.
it's our turn. It's our turn to eat. Come on.
Look at the ticks. This is wild how much ticks is up right now.
They're deciding right now, Dimitri. Where should we go?
This is the highest I've seen ticks since fucking 1150s.
But look at IWM, it's just following that breakout.
We're supposed to dump actually, guys. This is the highest ticks been. Ugh. Come on.
Holy fuck, there's a big order that just came in dark pool. 753,000 SPY, 491 million.
You should see.
With dark pool, we don't know if it's puts or
Could be,
calls, right?
could be buyers, could be sellers. They could be selling premiums. It's something. There's sizes coming into the market though, or coming out. But price is not moving. Interesting.
Price is not moving. Damn. This shit is so intense.
Today feels like a Friday. Keep the price elevated. That means that tomorrow's just going to be a fucking sideways chop if we close like this up here.
Oh, if the VIX is under $15, it's going to be a sideways chop every day.
Yeah, it's going to be brutal. You remember last year, October, VIX was like $12.
I got to see these ticks dump right now, guys. Look at the ticks, positive 600, and we're going down still. Once ticks jump to 0, it's game over. Let's fucking go, baby. Look at that.
Do you think that could have been the dark pool order based off the ticks?
I think so. Yeah, that makes sense, actually. Because price was not going up. Ticks was just grinding.
So if price,
Yeah, baby. Ticks is going down now, baby. Let's go.
if ticks went up, that means that it was a buy.
But it went up when IWM had a breakout from their range. Because I feel like TIX follows IWM a lot because it's 2,000 stocks versus S&P and NASDAQ together is 600 stocks.
Yeah.
So I noticed a huge correlation with IWM and TIX. But those 3 big green tick candles, there was 3 big green IWM candles right at the same time.
Yeah, SPY's
Now
pinned.
ticks is going down. Let's
They're
go.
both going down now.
Yeah, they're going down, and we're sitting on demand SPY. Same thing with QQQ.
But the VIX is going down.
Push, motherfuckers, push.
Did you add Albert or no?
Yeah, I did.
Nice. What's your average now?
124.
That's not bad. That's not bad. You'll actually get there, buddy. I'm at 112 right now. Let's go, baby.
Hey, let's go.
I've been
9 cents away.
I've been adding and subtracting fucking all day on these contracts. Oh, buddy. Can we get my break of structure and then I'm out? Let's go, baby. $642 Phantom print at 10 o'clock today. That means the big boys are betting for 642. You just never know when, though, Patel. Phantom print.
Shit,
I've
so
seen
fucking-
silly Phantom prints, though. I wouldn't take that into consideration, those Phantom prints. I've seen a Phantom print like a couple of 100 points away. It's stupid. It doesn't make sense. Yeah,
You need Qs to go red, man.
we go to 642. That's 2% down on SPY. That's wild. No way the VIX is going to allow that. VIX needs to be at $20 to have a Phantom print like that.
Slipping resistance still looks like it's intact.
Unless something really happens overnight bad today, I don't think we're going to 642, Patel. Like that yen
No.
carry trade last.
They can't go to 642 because there's freaking 600,000 puts out the money at 650.
Yeah, they can all pay those puts though, Ryan. If something like a black swan event happens though,
Yeah.
but not anytime soon. It might come soon though. That's why, Albert, I feel like you should keep holding your SPXS. We're eventually gonna retrace.
Dude, there are so many puts out the money that are clobbered, steamrolled according to the chart exchange data. There's like almost 4 million puts all the way down to 631.
Yeah. When do they expire?
The 19th. Next Friday.
September?
Yeah, next Friday.
Well, that's quarterly. It's a quarterly OPEX. That's why, Ryan. Quarterly.
Yeah, but still, that's a heavy out the money. There's a lot of steamrollage there.
Yeah, it's OPEX, quarterly OPEX. Motherfucker, look at this.
Sloping resistance, breaking. Oy.
This is supply. If this supply breaks, it's POC. And look at that. Steamrolled. Be the higher low. Just to make a higher high now. Oh my god. Bullish cycle started, guys. Bearish cycle is done.
This is supply here. Looks like they're gonna push.